Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura bachiko ya mandegere. Uzito somya bamura bachiko ya mandegere.
Murikiria wa Getembe TV ase ritukeriga ria Alhamisi, karibu sana ime ya Getembe TV erinde tunyara gusanga ase obwamo kigima ane muno ase ensemo yiga gazeti na seri tukeriga nokone kwane una kwabokire mbuyore na nonya kosa kwa beranga ikiagera ritukorera rero turanyara ko gusanga ase ensemo yikionga kurende nigo turache kurigereria aya kiendereire gusaya biriga gukorekana ase chinsemo kero turache gusanga nere Erika Buga na boigo sa mienda ase ekengese keiga kurende na onsi ari aberika gukorekana no gendere ko yanyora buna umurubirio ogenderete ko sebuno umurubirio rache kogendera kuruko Matilda obaigo nekero turache gusanga awiga ase mambia bono bienda nitukore Alhamisi umete wiki ya eri.
Actually, kere wiki ikire on Wednesday, banyani wiki eri, and Thursday, mambi is very short. Shughuli nyingi, ikomya wiki. By the time tukaka nitako miaka sana. We are chasing weekends after weekend after weekend.
Stari kirenga lero 31.
31.
Yes.
31 mambi tarehe moja na new month. Tarehe mbili mukani naro atabange senko ere.
Ngakikwevangire indugu ngakikwevangire sengo yarere
during my birthday and if
sengo yarere tukori ya Jumamosi kolengana na Prophet War
and sir it is very possible and sir of which is not ana ro manyana abange tanandu mukutana jitare nane I wonder unya sai to cha kwa but it's all in all really nobody who knows even the Bible reading anya sai yote wana ondete yo might read kunya sai yakoje yakoje kuno moivi igo moivi I've never seen somewhere umuntu akwakiresi mingango chandi kumoivi ngo dengango chandi kuiva ngombe yao that's never happened. So if and the Bible is clear nyasai yakoje kuno moivi tukomonta takale so ya professor who maybe ne ya kotaka kuri attention lakini then there's two for me is an important day. It's my birthday, so that is it.
Kwa wanchote mkubwa kwangu utarakia mkola lenye alimira
nzitaikora ebine bipindi ine megano ya bonwasi
wapi na nani
sasa ndio wazi kile miaka 25 wechi
tana sasa kile miaka 25 wechi
ndio spend that maana kwa ndio bana that tangaje tena jibu nzo kwa magana bani sasa mwanzo ni pale padi ya 25
the good thing age limit yako atabire mbona ikira banteganya next year next year but all in all I just mentioned of course na mbona nelia whatever that brought my attention nelia war but last time by the way someone reminded me it's my birthday. No, I tell you, don't be rock busy kuna bono. It will be on a Sabbath, na onkale kanisa. You see? Lakini renda baga tabanga for men, even though nebyo tari it's rare sana onyo men we are somewhere we are celebrating birthdays. Lakini ubi yambulinga bono. Kuchakira next year bono. As the advice from the elder, men shouldn't celebrate birthdays.
That is from next year. Ere kore na nere, ekero monta sirikoro kana kwa bire macho kwa kwa chakli wote nimera. Ama ngene yo sherekeani na party day. morigerera gukunyara gusanga nainde asitinze mu Facebook chinze mu cha YouTube ase gutonyora na Getembe TV tinga kitiga cha bono wabe nekero bono trache kurigereria narari ari ase chigazeti chiritkolera ro nabwo narari abireka okorekana ase chinze sana ndio tunyare gusanga ase obwamo okigima kurende oroboti ndoraiga rogenderete koreta obotutukano okigima oroboti rwekyombe keria akiana kana gose kyombe keria gyokorwania botumeki bwa mariogo yogotindi gose binyugwa aiga asense ya Kenya ekero bono nga andake konye abakenya bange bairire gose korengana no oroboti oru nigo abakenya bange bairete nga amangana yogo advertise gosokoro kereria ibinyogwe bikabyo gotindia marego yogotindia okoyaonia online na boigo gotwara gose kwa home deliveries mienda home deliveries bunelio okoso online watabonotete gosene drink yete gosene gento gete walete rubaka nyumba
Squeeze mate everything has changed gotogote banga kere ntongo change kere including the way even to be oversupplied. Maybe now into be boncheria na bono to some companies that you are in Kisii, you order from Nairobi, you have delivered. So it's all good, yeah. At least it's another way of improving same way boncheria. Never kero monto maybe tabuati affair tabuati go sene chingaki onyole bintu byaye ase enchira yo kwekerana. So and be eating atabuati fair go chira sekete nabo gonyara any product you want from your comfort of your zone, including other companies when abono nere oko aya no na oko koramo pati na online ba koletera mpako home deliveries and all those. So these things are not new.
Kile samario yogotindi.
Samario yogotindi. I think that is an advancement now that the government through the CS of Interior that bono umuntu went to Kunyomaru should be 21 years, not from 18. Should be 21 years and above. But my worries were already we have a limit of 18. Like already even before they are 18. Already they are taking this thing, and the enchira noena mario yogo tindia supply abeire was agotumeku nowadays. You will tell that already the 21 age limit here are raised. Tinka gretinga nebwato uzito mono kwa sababu already the young people who are taking this thing, including bari in high schools, bari in primary, the rate is high. So I think the CS should think about something else. It's not about which age should someone start taking these things. How can you do now or akonya but you're already underage and who are taking this thing? That is the most important thing. And Bonyuwa Maru in Bolibobe, it is part of the economy of this country, and you find out that yes, no, I'm advising those above 21 as per from yesterday. So Mboli telling me to a point like we have to cascade these issues in Chiro, and it holds the economy of this country. But again, don't care on number of take it responsibly, like go cover responsible when you are taking this thing. That is the advice for the but for children, let me say teenagers and abstain this thing totally because it will just interfere with your studies, with your relationship na Bible and even other community. Because no I think how the community sees that person, and especially career in these high schools, because even primary. Yes.
Umebona sana umetabuga na ba au pimete sana akiroga
you know the good thing of start in Chekerango ngochaka kukwana and then I get the direction from the senior.
Oh no. I don't know start linge bwate. Na marozi ninge bwate.
Na rote bwate maro. Igendo kwana ne chanda utekera gote bahanda masters. Kwana mangana empowerment programs I think na chichirega. Kimetinga.
Well, I was asking myself like the nation here in Guatemala analyze the the policy ya maru ya begetu itiko be kede ninga approve new guidance chama yango be kana analyze the policy and this thing was almost 100 pages the policy ya lost but then they started to discuss the issue ya government experts but they quite organized. Sometimes I wonder like a care policy yango launched yesterday kana ramu kama nyenye some because sometimes you wonder like okay they say power is transient maybe kare atakataka wasu kare wale cabinet secretary for interior but only ikeko wasu karo being an advocate I don't know sanya somete kwanza akama iko ni nonje say anyeri sile video I don't understand but you see this country has failed to accept the realities the reality ya money ringa the economy is bad what discussed yesterday the reality ya money ringa out of 10 youths you commit one of 20 years between 5 to 8 could be drinking. Either they are doing hard substances, drug substances, they eating sore, cocaine or something, or say kubele wako nyeruka. So they are doing alcohol. Now when you are doing 21 years in Banyoma, the restaurant, they are drinking joints, you go to town, different towns in Kenya. When you are population wako Nyamaru club, they are below 20 years. A good population, they are below 20 years. Now you are doing 21 years. Their kids wakunya maru only as below age 18 because of maybe morals here which is like poor parenting or something but doing 21 years then you are saying 25 years now how you windows parents here has different kinds of alcohol. Now this country has got content creators this is the betting licensing board betting when the adverts. A good number of people who protest were content creators. Yes. They lost their jobs. They may be earnings because the betting companies and Changova advertisements. Now you are saying 25 years. Not 25 years, no more to call the canvas. And yet we know a number of content creators, they are below 25 years. So you are doing 25 years. It means a good number of people, they don't lose their jobs. They're talking about 1.3 million. Now you are like
1.3 million.
What's close to like if you travel in this country, all Kisimbaka Nairobi, most petrol stations by day, almost 80% try to Kachamaru. Now, what is the relationship between Kachamaru and petrol station?
Petrol station.
I can understand it people by day. Okay, another thing is, what is the relationship with Banyamaru to marketing? Actually, most markets where the Nyamaru, it's what the isolated area you call Nyamaru. I'm not saying I don't advocate for that. But what is the relation to Banyamaru to marketing? Like, I don't understand how. I'm told in Rwanda, you can close a shop and go on spare parts, okay? Answer Nyamaru. People drink, they go home. Now, Kenya, will pay rent. Now, you are saying there's something you are banning alcohol from restaurants. Are there restaurants selling alcohol?
Restaurants?
See, the residents in Kenya, like now the county government of Kisii, you can do a restaurant and a bar. The residents in America, you can do an open a bar, you got a restaurant. Now, that means that if you are banning restaurants from selling alcohol, you have a new license. You can name a walker, no restaurant can. There's what you call the mini bar, a bar, and there's a restaurant and a bar. Most of what you have in this country is a restaurant and a bar. Now, you don't sell alcohol to people without a restaurant where they're doing alcohol. What kind of reasons is this? Anyway, they are saying it's a policy. But when they start to do this policy, people are angry.
Nande mbravi vaikaranzite vakakama up nebrengre ekere page ya kavre gazeti ya The Standard yakweranga adwale warns of tobacco laced with drugs imported by powers and that be health ECS cites corruption as weakest link in fight against drug abuse agotebana obokurumi nabo bwabeire bukotwara libagali nene asoko nikibona abantu abange iko bagendete gutumeka amariogo yogotini aiga asensi ya Kenya namonekero pamolekerete buna bono tumbato bado timizo sewa boni gabantu ngo tumeka bare
tobacco
I think
tobacco ngo tumekere
tobacco and cigarettes tobacco
nienda timeto zinganya walito monto ko uta ekebwesi
What's the difference between ekebwesi etumbato?
Ekebwesi ngeri na ketumbato gusene gento emete gusimekwa. Oh, I think abare kogenda barusia matari timete bare konyakorera babekesi gusene giasini.
So Kebwesi
Kebwesi
was meant for people who cannot afford kugura sigara.
kugora sigara.
So Kebwesi was like ikentokera city. So kwa Kenya swala limbi. And kwa tobacco in. Oh no, it was meant, it is a traditional way of smoking tobacco. Kwa Kenya when you sigara was with through cigarettes. Kebwesi it can diminish like engage.
The last person I saw someone who would make ekebwesi was long. I was very small by the kare sana. Kati nenge ntokaliyo ko kibwate kile chimni korbosi ali.
See now how do you want to meet someone with me Kebwesi and yet takes person not there. Once back.
Nande asipijia katoto ate
You
una
know, to me Kebwesi and the word knowledge. We have chalk.
njena metine giasi ya usambo beka usengi.
Giasi, what does the giasi do with that?
It's like now, what the different flavors, yeah? Cigar. I don't want to mention the names, but different flavors cigar. Like different flavors of alcohol. So like Kebwesi, you could add some flavor with it. You could make a gas, can't change it. Smoking, really change the taste. I call it a taste.
Na kigitanga lakini rende na kero tena ruta bani na gitega.
You know you have lost your traditional kurende. Then the only thing you remember about is changa kikoroso. You know changa kikoroso. So many things kama kikoroso.
Manya nteri twasomete school.
Distillation, eh?
That's the only thing you know.
Fractional distillation.
You know, you talk about the wordings, like you know the actual process.
I've never seen that.
But you need to know about
okay.
the
Nanya wikere changa batina karorire ngonyorage na karorire memiche gusene kangara getera kire ememera nimbi maite lakini timiti ngakibiko genda biko
Again, to know jina witness by the busero na manaro liko na oro biko sigwa usamaite no boli bokore tuwabe kwa ngakito yaba fermented ori boli bwa merenjere geteiga
Bukuru kwa memera ukuboineka.
Yes, ukuboineka. Bwaba kero bwa bere fermented bwa merenjere geteiga kwa nande kwanekera ya bwoma then basia then might wanna kurwa buna bako bekareni
Utumanga kurwa bungi wape.
kurwa I think na macha bako bekaona
Chaitinge ntuma itene memera nkorora ke kwanekera.
Have you ever done
Kurwa
ebusa?
me
Konyo.
yeah have taken
So you're a Christian who's taking ebusa.
Ebusa is a local
Yako what? Is that local brew?
it's a local porridge. I've tested.
Ande bono bantu bari babwate obongaini obo. I think abange babo waralire. Ande bari batikarete ono tukuchikomo tokonyara komo access mete bono to uno kino maitenga ekene gente kebe. Nchirate yora chiko muy bari aragwanchira ogende nyumba ya maru.
There's a difference. Tikale volume sime kubwali ngemiti. Almost as makale nkobari. Nowadays you have to go to the market to go over. Amount of kubeka go saleke. Makala sinemera. So the idea cross ebusa unyakokera ngwango.
But it still exists.
Even it's by there you find image on it.
Nkibare ko ira bakachibando chibondo.
Oh yeah, machoni by there is
chibondo ko kubuna umutinyore ko na kabirega. Ahanda bange bakanda basi ebituma biri bya bikoroka na bitari birabu.
There is ebusa, there is liberty.
I think we need these classes, Matilda. We need these classes by there.
Njona ba stasi ya maltona nze prense die kunya maru lakini those were traditional.
Ibyo bintu byarengo ngosome kubira bake school naki
Tiarenga ne changa pasi. Oka tiarenga ne gento kunyotinde. Kiwango ngere kwango. Ande kyanga bashada.
And it's had a meeting.
Actually na role friend chane bare campus wakwe project yoko genda korosi local
liquor.
Kwa dunga natuko chemistry.
Yes. Abantu bakora kuna food science ngo tumubale bagenda barosi yaba kwa
kuna bona by the way Matilda is this thing utokora como enyasore ngunga ne what medicine of value. This guy, there's an MP with is it Okoth Maremu Okoth,
Kibra, member of parliament.
Yeah, Kibra. Kwanga Ken Okoth na tebetenga ekurende linya sorry amatari ya na bwate some medicinal values igabona ngomaite none buseye add some value ya bwate significance ya go chasa buna bona abakoro iyo nkwaro chibare kubeke geteka kirigo sinegeka ya gatono kariga babeka naboro chiba chistro chiri cyabo chinkoro sinoro kolero kurukwa it had a significance, it had a meaning during those times. Lakini rende nelinga. But now of late, people are just maybe wanting to cook in keyo. Significance iriteyo. What they are doing is for pleasure. Chibesa and pleasure.
Abo page ya gatoto ya kuborenga below 21 no alcohol for you as a state adopts a new regulations bono on the ones what miaka merongeve no yomo ni kubono atachi gwanchiro ngakurengana na ebrengere bibanyare tukosanga atachi gwanchira okotumeka ebinyowo aiga as NC ya Kenya. Liquor traders reject Nakada's proposals nigonga bonsi bali bako nebinyowe bigapono banyare gukana egetambo kirokyo ekero abange babo bakoreranga abono bakonyora ubusi ekyo ne retarded economy.
There's a question I'm trying to ask myself. Igabono mwana ndebwensi o click 21 you have a right now because we kire miaka
tari obwate right neli naki omete buna ebinyowe binga kona rambali getenga onde ponsi bote meka ikomi ene tane tatu go chance tabone tugotumeka ebinyowa kose bintu binde byonse byogotini Mario Goyo lakini rende kero bago tenga basuki myaka yogo cha 21 temene tenga bantu kero kwa biro monte manno bantu kunyomar.
Yes, that's why now I'm asking.
Keirenga umuntu ronywe tonyu ko bwate meka below 21.
So the ideal one might mwana ro 20 years rero which we carry 21. So my point is like just my thinking like now when you are 21 now it's you who chooses whether ogutumeka go setergotumia. I think that is the idea of it. Nande kenteka na much ko rigere liga bata banga maybe chidu chi obonjeri obakokurwanga na chiskuru by the way abuaro I want to agree with them because in one way maite A7 TV ko korekana go se bonyugo go korekana konyara mali oginaro chisegi nchiro nebinte binge arangine iskuru it is good idea apart from others naro jibakwa igore supermarket wono muntu are gotebanga nabo bwente kurushi supermarket ange na se chikoni kuno usene chi supermarket chiko kwende
no korusia liquor store se supermarket
no korusia liquor store se supermarket
onye go kone ena chero licensing.
All right.
And why do you want to move a liquor store from a supermarket into the supermarket? Another businessman comes, I got a liquor store, that's on the wall is supermarket. Next shop.
Amangana makungu togote kwanga onya tura tema lewete Christine wa toteve onya tura teme kenyuwa totema.
Totema is true.
Yes. Abugana bako gotenga aquí onya tura tema tikanapi. Igo
the government has advised 21 years and
but you see, no, it's easier to tell someone who's below 18 years. But it will be difficult to tell someone who's below 25. Because someone is Nabamura, Mokamon creating years, between 18 to 20. Come avanza come a child. So how you want to stop?
There are na 16, oko bwana muntu bate kibande.
How you want to stop Mondo 25 from accessing a club? What the one they say? I'm about 21 years. And they access the club. I drink and join. 21 man there.
21 these are university students. These are university students, by the way. From age 19, from 18, we first years. And when you give in colleges and universities, you can tell by it's on a high rate. So how will you go to distinguishing Omuntu by now, nearly 21 years and others? But anyway, it's our government.
You get the branding color, APL. That's a page. Yeah, from the page.
ABL.
The brown. Is it brown my use? What color is this?
That is the golden.
Yes. The APL color. Now we get the ketchup. So I don't know, the policy is good for me. But now the idea, the process you go cap the alcohol abuse and the drug substance, and it about too much work. You know, we have already roasted. Like, if you know 10 youths in your where you come from, but don't even have they're either between 15 to 20.
20.
The number of people doing Inyaswara, oh my God, it's alarming by the truth be told, you walk in the city town, like come on, I was looking Inyaswara in the streets openly, like it's available. Now, before you book, you was working at Sharia at 21 years, why can't you cap the people selling it? Because there are few. People who are smoking it could be thousands of people. They have a could be one or two.
Shida nere yuwate bunga corruption nero ya gerire abange bagendere tose biashara bigendere go thrive ekiagira buna bono akira tukukwanire Nyasore abantu abange bakoyoni mpawa nabantu babwateni yes nanda okonyoranga singinje ya maki
but matiti vya bonto a drink enjoy it abokonyoranga kwa nyuri Nyasore tangic. There's a time Kenya kana kada ya paniti kwende shisha from restaurants, clubs and restaurants. But also sometime na ndega sakon. So, wekala anstoko nya machagu, kukochu pia se club ni, muntu magaya kusmoke shisha.
waka kwa manyanga kiego tioka.
Yes. So then they say, olotari konyu, lakini ureniara muntu
Active and passive.
Yeah. The passive one is smoke and never go affected more than the active smoke. So, it's a country where everyone abuse na target. But for me, the fight against drugs and the alcohol substance, it's good, but the approach is wrong. Totally, that makes sense.
That's why I started by saying, Tora already Balibaro and how to curb that problem. It's not an issue thinking about Balibataranyu. It is the issue of Balibaro already. What is the policy that how can you curb that problem? Yes.
Umugana uyu hinyora se gazeti ga ya The Standard page ya kabere ya gatatu na boigo akira tukurigire page ya kane nero nigibwate omugano wo kwanara amungana empowerment program akira wata eyes on Kindiki as he traverses country dishing out handouts nigo ukonanga ki chibesa chigenda tokwana no asibyombe ono boigo abantu okusaba bwatani ase chinsemo chinyinge ime yense ya Kenya ngakira bono wikira yekiro konyora ngase byombe binda abantu niko bakwa guchibesa kurindekira baho chigotema kubagana umuntu onyora 64 shillings 64 shilingi 50 mo na inye ase mirobere iga ya empowerment buna ase tekero tukuri ya front page nigegoteba 64 shillings in Kisii. A woman was asked to mobilize widows and brought that one of them, but they were given only 2,000 shillings in total, meaning each received 64 shillings. Aiga enkagira tino musubati kete kura second ya Nyamiro
It's a lie,
ya
actually. It's a lie. No, of course.
Yeah, as abantu that one.
As much as the media is setting an agenda, they don't get 61 shillings, 64 shillings. Doesn't make sense. You know, you can't take emotions to be a story. You can only do emotions in a story where by grieving, people are giving you money about those things. But right for the media is set the agenda. Some who have attended these functions, you find Ekiombe can go up to 100,000. Now, you can make 100,000, assuming Kepabaga message. So at what point does someone get 64 shillings?
And another question is,
Let me ask you. That lady was talking in Nyamira town. Hey, empowerment ya West Mugango ya correct. So she was keeping the money for 2 weeks. Ataka wakimnida ngani 2,000. Why did she spend the money?
and another thing, what I've never understood, Abuga, Ekiombe na kigego changirwe. How comes then it earns this money to an individual? Onye na Ekiombe, mwachanga kia into Ekiombe, we are doing this and this. Why can that money and 100,000 ichiko Ekiombe kwa jumla? At what point should we be having someone and bakora bagana among that Ekiombe? So it means you came in the name of Ekiombe to look for these handouts, I think. Yeah. onye ne kiombe kiena nu if we have kusana 100 chamas ba jira mwairo 100,000 kwa chiba zechi mwacha kuya ze kiombe then why can't you do a project eko konye kiombe at large at what point should we be having abantu nande bago ikampaka bacha kubagana unless the issue of widows yonye ba turende as a transport or wherever maybe we can have an argument from there but when we talk about kiombe I think kiombe is oko chamo having a collective responsibility yotabanga bono tiato changeba se tokuro sene tent tokuro sene biro and at what point rende ikiombe kinande ko turn out to be an individual project like someone I was 64 shillings
usigana nayo ndigo bono ndoche chi wizara ko se cabinet mawaziri bakovatera na serikali nigo banyarire kuitaberana engana yukoneke munachi kanisa cyanyare kumurikiro kigima munachi okore mirimo yabo aiga asense ya Kenya kubwatekana na enganeri yakorekanete guseyanyare tukoneke wa ase chinse muchiri cha shaka hola ekero egote wa cabinet okays task force proposals to regulate churches after Shakahola. At a glance and abego kwanra ebintu bende ebinge egaiga anamonekera abantu babiri bakunererwa kwitira mangana yechidini ko gwetera chidini naboigo public officers now barred from state contracts. A new law requires public officers to declare wealth of their spouses and children. Umura wense lutkore goro nanyarete kupi kesi engana egote obuna onde wense ogostoa gokora emirimo imeye serikali uno ogostora be a public servant nigo abonete egente getangane kero gosoharoro nigo obonete kurigirirwa enibo yao nabo igoko report ase kiombe kirigyo kurone bukrume ga sense ya Kenya ya Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC elinde serikali yamanya enibo bwate na kengana abuge tiventi osengane ga nkorelete na mungana yo ukora obukuru ngakero gosoha bisi serikali gose ego etire kiombe kirikya EACC yamanya enibo yao abana bao ngaki obwate enibo engana nariyo abange batanyare ko usabange bawanjira konyora chikonde chiga chesere.
Actually, I'm reading the same story as a preacher at Anarimas Nation. same story. But I'm wondering, like, yes, Abuga is a public civil servant in this country. I can't just a company called Biashara. But assuming in the same as my friend, I just did a company. He's well off and I've got to extend our Biashara. So me being in office and find a way someone in Biashara. This have declared my work. But you see, some will call it Biashara called or develop them area not get it. But it's me who's sponsoring some. How do you know about it?
And that's what is happening, by the way. Yeah. So it's something that
Again, the guys by the to cap whatever they want to do.
in members of the public, but Matilda, it is say we know everything how it happens. So although you can speak and say that you don't want to do the tendering with the government, like at the end of the day, someone registers a company through someone else. These tenders are awarded in a friendly way, in any connection, my friend. So Canadian to get the Kerry remedy, you cannot talk about this issue, by the way, unless you just talk. Maybe it's just within the constitution, maybe because say the laws that have been made and amended, but at the end of the day, there's no way you can it has been existing, it is there, and it will be there. Distinguish between a company how sure are you not about any connection with this government official? Something that is a can.
Na boiga sepenzi yakienda gazeti ya The Standard yitikuria ex-KDF officer jailed 20 years for raping a woman at a police station. Gitoseni gya Central Police Station na kirokyo okay nande asintunda inde ni gobono ndochinga kimurikire kigimo kulinde ine ngana yanyarite gukorekana ase miaka 5 ibiri yaerire korwa umwaka 2018 ekrono chingo muswati yomo ni ganyarite gutachiranse ase gitaseni kyokorende korengana nikigambiro ni gobono umo onyanyimbo oyotogete namo mochayo anyare busubase miaka 20 ase timete se evita seni bya banyanyimbo ningi kya viraroro bienda ekere gwikiranga umuntu na bakogenda baka osari wase a police station.
I think issue toraye discuss it for long igoroye bituo bya banyanyimbo ebibwene tokuru bulendi and kwa mara konora nganda ke bintu mbere bigakorekana buna bono those rape cases that kia were reported, but the good thing, the bold step nearinga omuntu currently gentekiga at least onyorire omrende neli chiko. The same thing I could have advised staff everybody balen kagari baliba rape cases happens in a community and then bachanga tetoke kwana at a family level nando muntu yochirorera one by the time kago cha kuirwejera kwa makuigwa wantu nanda bakoteba umuntu oyo in fact tarika korokia yeketangani ekigosine ekiagatano where were they kirare gukora egente getangani. So those people who are involved in these activities choko yakora rape cases gosogocherera they should face the law. Ono korengana buna kwa mboriri police post nje safe as a Sunday because of circumstances sometimes. You know, yesterday we were talking about Abuga when we talked about the issue of a police station whereby no ane kwerendete oborendi abanyene we police station you were araro anyene but we went to go to oborendi but we abanyene bo ati oborendi. How can you operate a police station without electricity, without other facilities, CCTV at the same place there? So every tombero obunebi abigo changira every korbunebi abia nyara ko bigo korekana because these are human beings who are there. Estimateyo totebenga we don't have a very good conducive environment. Ase ebintu bune bikolekana ebintu bune na bigo changira police post ncheba a safe place for umuntu kogenda maybe. And another thing about police stations, even these policemen, if you ask them, by the way, know that they are not Kenyans, they are Kenyans, and if the life is pressing and it's also pressing them because they are only policemen, very limited to some other things. But at the end of the day, they are they are also Kenyans, and they are also facing challenges which Kenyans are also facing, by the way. It's only that I went away from Albert Ojwang, we had other issues. So policemen are people who are supposed to do security, and security, let them be human and do the responsibilities they are doing. Going an extra mile.
Buna no nyase chia bisi kusa no nyase school okanyara abantu bali bagwate chimbo chire tofauti bake lakini bono moite bakogereria tari agenda muno kubwata kana ebintu gusebikorwa byabo bire ebyoko baserere bug abanyanyimbo kirukende to abaingeire munase chinga kechiga nabo enge buna abantu professional endeavors.
The issue of security in this country I never discuss about it because what opinion on the issue of security. But it's an abnormality that an individual can decide and go attack a police station. Because you can be killed anytime. It's a support area. But then the criminal attack is not responsible. That you know your boundaries. If you do things out of the world, you'll meet what is done outside that world. By attacking a police station. Because it's criminal elements in JTBK in safe custody in the police cells. I thought the attack maybe you discriminate or so you fire. But the fire may make it is extremely dangerous. But then God forbid parenting you as in this country. Come and take a as we get it. Abandon what I created chiap. Lakini walende mungu tukwane. Kama is busy making his own sheria kila mtu kama ke sheria yae. But you see some ndo kwa nanga abantu kweturecher. You can have a police station but was got 300 to 200. Kama ndasi munga wasikari abons they are rock. Could be one or two.
Yeah.
What in the chan. These guys are going to trigger up police officers. That once you ever fire them I know we should go again red. But you see there's something, Matilda, what happened? At some point, Kanyanga mpaka na maandamano basigara mpaka na maandamano. They are those specified police officers who are the bunduki kwa masasi. Take monto kana maandamano ni bunduki kwa masasi. They could be like if in Kisii town you find like 10 out of maybe 100 wachi bunduki kwa masasi. Wachi bunduki tear gas. They are those who are carrying chirungu. So government nema tenga basigara baso ku watachi bunduki kwa masasi. Na. It's either the government will protect or say otige. But someone should do a story, a good detailed story of the number of police officers by civil because of the careless shooting. It would be an interesting story.
Na maine mbaroro babiri bakubiko byara na ndiri chikori akodre miremo.
It's an interesting story by the way.
Yes. Na kuskabusio ase aigana samangna inyomo ayontari gotakana kwandra muno. Akira gotanga spouses must divorce to reclaim loans court rules. Ike ambere yatebiri amangana yiga okonyora abantu bari nyumba banya gukabesa ni chivesa. Yamunyo wika kero mundata tagetiko irania. Baminyo keke gambero. Onye mutegete chivesa ichiga chira nerirorio mo divorce. Magistrate rules alone recovery must wait until marriage is dissolved. Woman sued husband over 108,000 loan to start wines and spirits business. Ngorwa sumunchio Nairobi igonga mienda. Asamu tukare bosio. Ikerore nyore nga kero kende no kande tikoe loan koseko na ne loan. Ucha sumunchio. Mwenyore ngeke gambiro ngego chikubaigera. Onye mogo chikugani chibese chiga asobu ikirano. Okebeterera monyare ko tuguterare nyuma.
Kuma itinga nkyo para kukwana issues chenyo mo lakini lemeto.
Ine gazeti ebwate omugano oyu na ndikuno kugochika wekigambiro.
So kwa nyoiri I had an argument over the radio kubolinga ki is it good keramore no mwanchi o motevinga kabese some 10,000 inchengirani no kwenta kwere no sto kwenta kwere. You see when you're talking about the issues of a family umungwana ya maka manya kwenta vinga na sabete tatu mwabo na musabete 20,000 akamatavinga kabesi 20,000 da korege ntokera on day fulani I will refund the money mungwana akamwachi pesa kidogo iga that is a family setup kidogo kwenda kuboli umsoringa kinendo museo maete chitali jiri wande ati wakore
chitali kichira na cheche
umboli yangu atobolimo inkoreta mbire na kwiri school
inkoreta tense
inchinaye bono ngwente who should I be asking ngwente ko sabe yo ndichibese akamanya kumutenga I only use that trick konyore bese au baby na was of freeing kwara konga kero mwebuli akasabire bese
tugwente tuko convincing an alone na denairani
na nyirani so a setup of a family go sabana chilon I think anything that a family does I think it is for the progress of the family. If setting up wasabiro mwanchi ongati ambe ke biashara kete bese tiro chikutume kaibweka bese at the end of the day ngochere at this family kwa sababu lazima yakane bills lazima yakane kwerende. So I think people should understand one another and saying tiatorete maybe barete kwerende biashara ebyamo bakora sa family. Why should you borrow your spouse almost abebe so chake biashara at the end of the day biashara hiyo biko kwa family. So for me borrowing from one another to start a business looks like you are doing this thing on your own. Just be clear isara samwe kwanenga yaya let's have this money no wato uwezo leta hii pesa tobe kamo biashara gete for the benefit of the whole family. Such that when losses are incurred, they are incurred collectively. It's an individual position. Abantu bonse bageni. So a family is something that together with the consultation that school. At a family setup. That's my opinion.
Abuga. Oka kero kavesio moncho wange enusu milioni bone. Metiomoe
ngoko mwango so como ka
zera koe chibese chinjira ne oroche ngora abo mwango kwera neryo yondi
Why do couples allow that?
ngwira ni yale almost kera sabire ngochira
But why do couples allow that? Like you can borrow from your husband. You see, unless you are doing business, be registered in different names. Like some other business, different business. The wife has some who may have a different business. So you can borrow from the business. But at what level do you borrow money from your couple?
Yeah.
Level from your partner. Let's say, now I as my wife. I'm giving you the money to appreciate you, to support you. I don't need that money back. But now the court ruling is saying that if you borrow the money as a couple through a loan, correct? That money will go back. It's already paid after divorce happened in the court.
You want your divorce?
Divorce asthma. If you have requested for it, the court will give you. The court will have to give you the divorce. But it depends. Some must have a divorce. The wife you are married, the court will decide on the grounds some are kwaju na marry kwaju. So that about thing once you have requested for the divorce, the court can grant you automatically give the divorce. What is the common ground here? Divorce is about what? You don't have conjugal rights. If some proves that they were indeed they were conjugal rights, the court will tell you go out and discuss. And you see, out of 10, only 1 or 2 people in court could want the divorce to go through. No, people don't get about it's true emotions. Somebody walks to court or file for divorce. But you want a second chance, you not do that for the sake of kids.
And Vuka, there's a pastor I listen, 90% of those people who have asked for divorce, like in Wakanda Wakatema, they are more happy. But those who ask divorce na handeka yanda through, they are even the saddest, by the way.
Iko bantu mpaka pesa na chipesa.
I think I was
Sonyo ko saba chipesa taba turkoiran. Ikiagera mara ngegero ugo sabo munte pesa. Umutengo irani ole abagutwara go seme. Lakini ekero ko musabe pesa ngano gote to bokonye go chatirigo Terigo chikoirana abantu abakolika.
What does the Bible say about couples? No tiga Bible bao. Nayo tiki mocha mumubege nteke.
Lakini umente gati omuntu omusacha no mukungu chibesa nchiro.
Yes, like my argument, and I'm happy Abuga has vindicated it. Like, at what point do you need to
borrow from a partner?
From a partner?
When I give you money, it's our money.
Yes, that is it.
If there are grounds for that marriage, okay, the grounds for marriage is that you are married one another. So if you are borrowing for me, now assuming my wife sends me money to be $1,000, or 5,000, you know the must have done the man. Unless next time maybe more and more.
More than that.
We are one in the marriage.
Yes.
But you see the grounds for that case was different. This was money borrowed in the name of two people, the couple, and on the bank. Now
Who is supposed to pay now?
Oh no, the only person to decide who's going to pay this money is the court. Can I court to take a rake in it? But you see now, those are two different cases. The court will listen to. Once more already divorced, now you go back to discuss the case here. This is a civil case now, which will happen in that situation. But now the bank you borrowed from the concern you borrowed from can sue you for criminal liability. But anyway, criminal in a marriage, yeah. Yes.
Aina rale se gazeti ya The Standard yetu Korea rero.
The Nation, Adrian yana story ya yevi nyuwa. They are saying the same things we have been discussing from Tochagete. That they can together and na kumingering the methods of sale yamaru even through machines. You know, online home deliveries. One of my worries EPL, which the government has more shares in it, back on online. So they want to stop the idea of Konyama. Kimetona ni maminete kidende koranga chibesa cha Kenya chielire. Senchio, because they are saying even the students are supposed to join campus next month. Actually from next week. No, the next 2 weeks. And for some kwenda campus, is the help teraso kama kabumika. And wanafunzi mama sasa ngabara located think up to now. Actually it's less than 2 weeks too. Like Bomet University are opening on 10th. Rongo they are resuming I think on 19th or 20 something of this month. Actually in first thing they opening this month for freshers. That up to date. Wanafunzi mama iti. Kendo chilo nchiabo cha help usinga kiere. But I'm sure from the story yako rero the CS for coming to education will respond hata venga its there's a story I've read in the papers for a long time. Yeah, hardship areas ya balimu. So the second maintaining mpaka ndete wakana until the Public Service Commission they give the guidelines through notes ya serikali. Story ya government officials were banned from tenders and page ya Katana na Rimo. But there's an interesting story ile page ya Katana na Kabere, the ODM, the split in ODM, that there are now two groups in ODM. It's either those ones who are supporting the government, there are those ones who are calling for a review ya agreement ya UDA na ODM, or the Kenya Kwanza government na ODM. They are those calling for the review. But you see now, this was a secret meeting. Ya kwa tuna neck ya ODM. People are trying to get the information from the inside there. Kiaga and red. Same page never the story ya Kirorio Rova. Now they are calling at the embattled senator. Kinankia last, I think defamation case in Kiara. She went and appealed the same case, but there's another case, Kiavegete court. She was dismissed from the Senate unfairly. So UDA is responding, whatever the Kirorio is filing in court, it's a waste of time and a waste of court time. So they are calling on her. I will withdraw the same case from the court. Same day, we discuss the story ya Maru. Epechi ya Gatano na Kane, epechi ya Kiandane wate the earnings ya EPL. It's a full page. We'll discuss the figures because it will be unfair for EPL. I'm shocked with the former KCB CEO Martin O'Dowell. He's the group chairman of EPL East Africa Breweries.
EABL, East Africa Breweries Limited.
Yes. I'm shocked with the chairman. I'm around 10 years. I'm net sales. JPL.
128.8 billion.
Yeah, shoot upwards by 4% the last financial year. It 128. Actually 129 billion because we round off.
Yani
the net earnings
129 billion.
As which year is this net sales? I think they are saying 128 billion. Not a single entity yes recalculates this amount of money. I think profit after tax. EPL yaros you know what the shares EPL and go part of their 12.2 billion.
12.2 billion.
And then net profit after tax. On total dividend as Cromondo, what's going to the shares? It's 8 bob. So you got 1,000 shares. This is the amount 8 shillings per share. Yeah, it's going up by 14%.
ina faida.
Actually, net profit here company, yeah, EPL, get up by 12%. It's good money.
Ego minatinga ase in the last financial year banyura marusana since yake.
Bagen data comment by the.
And nyanyule. So na serikali serikali atari haya. Baka tuweke simu. Museveni was in the country yesterday.
By the way, yes.
We signed some agreements in East Africa, but the two leadership, Uganda and Kenya, they are condemning Tanzania for the new rules to ban some services. So we are hoping Kirin to be sorted before the end of the day, so that Tanzania agree to open up the space because the protocol, the market protocol, 2010. Around East Africa, and to business freely. So yetimenga on the suluasa nyaru seti. Atimenga to take korige or para content ya Tanzania. I open understanding protocol man immunity. And na korige to nekyo. Akibeke kare bantu.
And again Abuga, the president, our president, Dr. William Ruto, erore mocha the Eastern African community. So I think now that he was with his wonderful friend from the other side, I think for me, condemning and you're the chair, what are you going to sit and talk? Maybe, perhaps, a Canadian to involve the Eastern African community. Why can't him as the chair, Arangeli, the Eastern African community, they try to solve these issues? And what is the position of the president since I'm Tanzania, because it affects all the East African communities? Community. One, Tero Iganaro Choyo Ndegagoteba, sit Chiralgay. Someone said like Chiralgay, Agatavanga. Abuga, you see most of these beggars, Babako, they are from Tanzania. And then Chiralgay was arguing like Korea. He was arguing like, Navarabu was secret business. So are we going to have an economic fight over this issue of mangana kolekande Tanzania? Because
Kagiringa igitambo kirekensi ya Tanzania igitikwemukya igikiraje koba ikebe.
I think now the president is the chair of East African Community. Barangirani, all these members countries, they try to sit and let us not have a community of East Africa whereby we have no boundaries. I think Tanzania and Kenya has enjoyed a very good relationship recently. During the AUC, we don't know whether they voted, but they voted Raila Odinga. They have been here. I've been telling them, reaching to a point like now, maybe with the motive of eliminating Kenyans, and then Chiralgei comes and says like, business. You see, we are going on an economic war within the East Africa. It is not a good picture.
Yeah, but you see to a point that the president was about we are banning some outsiders or people from foreign countries or in a country. It means the impact was huge. So now if you have Clermont or operate M-Pesa, foreign represent Tanzania or Kenya, then it means there's a crisis in Tanzania. But you know, Tanzania is totally different from Kenya. Their laws are different, Kenya is different, their lifestyle is different. But now Kenyans could take advantage of that business. That's in any gap, biashara, we never take it. But you know, you cannot stop an idea whose time has come. The open market for East Africa was an idea that I conceived long ago, back in 2010. I know some were in class something, back in 2010. But that you can travel to Tanzania without a driving license, maybe insurance, a temporary insurance, yeah. But now you want to stop this idea. The Sulu think about the impact if other countries reciprocate the same idea, the same business. But you see, like I'm going to call Kenya actually like in Gusi, I'm going to call Kisi town, Uganda. It's coming from Tanzania. Like if you go home, it'll be less than 500. Actually, not even 100 Chimboli. Yes. But you go to the market, Chimboli, where they come from.
Yes.
If you drive around the Kisses Banya Road, you could find it Chimboli. So that's the open trade. You have signed, the program have signed in 2010. Like it's coming from Uganda. Remember,
by the way,
yeah. Remember that time there was this Banya Kwende Isinya border Kajiado. They wanted to cross the border. Chembenji cross over this side, Namangina Tasa Road. But the Manga Yako still coming from Uganda. Now look at Yamavere. People don't understand it like Yamavera Manga Uganda. There's a Naranjire market, you get into Mantinya market, but Yamavera Manga, Uganda. There's a time there's a crisis in this country, Yamavere. People were saying like the Shirudi business people. Kenya, because of the law related in any rates tax in Uganda. When the Pakistan very Uganda, from cross the border, the low materials across Uganda, trains, across over the country, and to Banyan Kaligur. So there was an issue here, but then the two presidents sit, but this kind, not even the two, the staff can presidents by Karanza, agree on what to do. What Sulu could be talking about could be capping an issue to raise maybe in the future days. Even in Kenya, there was an issue that President Uhuru Kenyatta. There was an issue that Chinese are taking over. Including Gambo in Yangon, Kenya was being done by the Chinese. Pakatanga Chinese yama. But you see now, for Kenya, they are part of Kenyans.
Yes.
They are community. Yomo Kenya.
Pesukuru sana ni hapa wale hapa indi naba abantu baraba iburu ba Kenya usaba koro bali bakageringa na mupale asiyegesa kukemo Kenya.
Wakana wale mchana.
And by the way,
mchana naboko tokea.
Umochere no rukuru Tanzania. Umochere no ruiche Kenya.
The
best and very expensive anyway. And what is the position? Bono kero sudu wako tabanga maybe is banning those businesses from foreigners. Tanzanians don't, no, not karati no moche. Or Tanzania by other countries who are investing. Let's leave alone whatever Cherargei was doing about beggars. But Tanzania by what the bigger businesses in this country.
But you see,
So I think
Escoboka Mahambi, Hazena Marago. You count the number of traders, Tiatan and Tutum Cosmatic, they are quite a number.
yeah,
Nyingi-san.
so solution.
Well, need to cross back to Kenya Church Nyingi-san. So what kind of business or such as this? So you know, Suraka banned from Tanzania. Actually, Kenya is going to take the same step.
In fact, they will
Kenya
suffer the most.
was never going to come.
One
Have you seen anything being sold to Tanzania from Kenya? Maybe in a soul, not to go for Nyingi. And the border Matega. Kenya man to go Nyingi and Poiko Matega because they are sending Bolchavo still. It's genuine than what we are consuming in Kenya.
Look at the country like Bono, Somalia, Matilda, how isolated it is, how the economy is of that country go area. If Tanzania now says it's burning, and I'm sure that Kenya yoke could be affected. Nearly never Kenya go stretch very beyond their country. About Uganda, Mbarali, the people from everywhere. So what if take that economy and what will happen? So Suluhu, I think that's why I said from the president who is the from the East African chair, Tigaba Isaransi, the all chairs, I mean the all president from the East African community, because Beraramba Mentanto Mba Paka Congo, DRC, this part of the East African community, a solution, we have a future.
Yes.
I think those are the stories sharing international, you know, the main ones. Can end but from those stories.
Ase gazeti ya Taifa Leo ama nina rai ama ngana ya walevi wakaziwa sana. I think naro twayakwanire extensively. Wakatabaga yanga bona hakuna kupelekwa pombe nyumbani wala kusafirisha kileo. Ndiko hata hakuna baa karibu na shule na taasisi ya elimu.
I think nganeyo ditukore garikiro lara kutara busonga iga na roche tofauti sana. Timajitinga abakenya bambali bado baringi ukwanero ikiaga kwaro weto muchi obosongo kubuganga mbono mbono chinyomba cyo kwego kechegorwa mbono ebinyugwa bya balonst sengenje gorokera se abantu baringi chipati bono ukasinyunga bago kare iliyo mwali serikali itaracha kama chika itaracha gokoreme
Onoroche Matilda Kenya nisimbabwate tendency Kilio vacanity, they will prove. Kilio canity nkeba, ngoe korabare will prove. You see, lakini rende, all in all, ekenege ntokete neba kia tangase tuke korekane. If it will be happening, it will take time. Kwa sababu nichi tabi yate kiremeri. By the way, wekere serikali ko tebanga bon dikere ngente kiabe kiremeri sana. Na ando wetika to kuboka mambe. Na bengo monto bon yo is a very good maybe totebe bona bon to make a smoker. You can't wake up and say, or say even betting, gambling. You can't wake up one day and say like you want to stop. It is a process that you have you stop this thing. So na SME amarupupu ya mazingira magumu yaliyopo TSC yasema aintwayara kwa gazeti ya The Daily Nation. I think again tokere different gaiga dochenga wabunge wa serikali Kisii na helicopter tu. Wanaondosha kwa mlikiwe gazeti ya Tabanga ni helikopta na hoteli za kifahari kwa wabunge wa serikali Gusii. Na bono wajumbe bali bara sensemo yoko support ya serikali
Kenya kwanza
ni bono bamenyete chi hoteli chinene na bagotara ni helikopta Tabanga ni ma helikopta na hoteli za kifahari kwa wabunge wa serikali ya Gusii.
Abajumbe bale ase ensembo yayo muskuli aburuto kurasoro ngura gusi
Gonga
egetali bako nyora niko kerekene yes
konyere ka ngombe lakini abuka na sine tamu ronga irencho I think ngombe bona tima I think bona go irencho bu ma think ntongere next ka ocho kere ngombe then ngare sana so they are enjoying by the way nabo muri kwese wikirende yagoteba ODM inahitaji Sifuna zaidi kuliko mtu yeyote. Bagotebanga umurikibwe gazeti yiga. Uyundoche agotebanga ODM inamhitaji Sifuna kuliko mtu yeyote because the argument bakoteba niringa kurwense meri ya western kwa sababu from western is among
Ese como watoka ya verbo
kwa western maybe ase kiama gia ODM tumaitia buga sense of different ne opinion yomurikyo yo
Munde superior than the ODM. Okay, anybody within the ODM you can't be superior than that ODM
the party.
If ODM, okay, look at the story here. Secretary General was within ODM. You can't survive. Unless otherwise you go change your side and unless they're carrying. But Sifuna is at the edge. Like outside, whether out of the line or Sasok. Kawasoka, it can be the end of you. In Nairobi County, you are either in government or in ODM for you to survive.
Yeah. You can't be
outside that. Yes, you're either in government or in ODM. Look at the senator in Nairobi is in ODM. The governor,
UDA.
you in the government.
Women
Abajumba bange, it's either ODM or
but actually, when elections are done in Nairobi, of course, Raila Odinga takes the big share, even including MPs. By then, MP by UDA is just a handful. Out of 17, I think about 10. But these others, the Azmio, the large Azmio, because of Waipanero, I think Musili Mawadho, Embakazi South, and those are the major parties, Chirali. So, when you're talking about ndochi bakuru mfano buo yonde you know Ababu Namwamba was a Secretary General of ODM so those days ndochi bagende tukomo compare gaigana Sifuna bakobolinga onye Ababu Namwamba na Arweto what about Sifuna so that is an idea opinion yomuri kibwe gazeti ya of the Wase Taifa leo I think narara manene by the way area manene and are different from what we have discussed today.
Ndote engane nene gabu ko serenge ni pi kiro to kutigana mangana ya siasa ngana ye binyuwa.
Oh, and by the way, what about the issue ya Gusii tenda manyanga your opinion about the Gusii
abajumbe kuro
politicians?
Gusii bono gane nsemeli gereire. Omayetenga ekero yaro kanenganeta gete gutwara barai babiri at the same time barai bakurige kiro kyo barai wense ande yamunye gutokange gati abajumbe bale aroro lakini bagosira umurai wense bweri tuko ono manyete konyora egetalia kenene teko magana abako guaranteed ase amatukaega ikiagera umete nonye nae kiro kwanyore ngomo biso ochake kuso yoro umobiso komonyora utumika abantu bali barangenera
Boga. I think you are one of the guys who are spending time in empowerment doing streams gari bona tumetinga jichope chivago tabanchiro for sure go say
Chimota batumia.
Chivesanchiro.
Batumia. You see, the government has to spend. These are not the government chipas you got to make. These are private chipas you got to make.
But the
government funds it. Until that they are studying getting, I hope people will be honest enough. After the source of funding this program is. The only thing Kenyans need is the truth about like it's against equal. Montaka chibanja ngase budget tumekigana igana well and good. Kama montaka senga kichukura afibas kwenye chibanja ngijiko.
By the way,
this government money monta chita kaiba adanganja waseranda bandu tukaja 2027 2022. But people never ask. Montaka anga to share. At that time you'll be thinking any right now, but that's your money. Or cannot through taxes. But that's the one question which was again if these things were done structurally, like on that ever, if you be neck. It's not the wrong approach to make any thing. The more of neck crowd, how much the neck you some get some, and nobody wants to fail for any kick on the neck sticker. So that's going to Babakan, if the government could come through the social the welfare thing is required. Wachike bata ngekiombe some registered members now. Kaba ndabe check. Useze chibeku chibe kwa machanga chibe kwamu mogende ebyo mbiteko pick those checks grow this. And obviously women rep again but picture check grow. It's easier to manage that way than kwa mtu chibe cash almost 100,000 unless kalete nyumba. What do you expect? They'll split the money back by and then you might kunyecha.
People daily Nakada gets drunk on beer. Ngikambikia ni wono gia tindire ase amangana ye binyuwa amugano yora ase page ya gatano na gatatu oyuto kwaniri ase obwime muno omugano obumurayi bwensi gose gitambukiro ky'omurayi bwensi omusubati muske Suluhu yota Tanzania's move to jeopardize 107 billion trade with Kenya ngokora na batagete gotema sana kustalia obwa matobuya anamona samangana ye biashara na buigo Ndobote how a new breed of leaders shaking Kenya. Naki abasai abake na boigo abarai abaya bakorokana usabasai babwat abalene chinguru bakorokana bachakire koleta oboba gochasi abarai balime yeserekali na boigo I'm lucky to be alive oyega Stephen Munyako oyo onyare tukoba gosibwa simyaka 14 nseri ya Saudi Arabia bicha yae no irabo kale enangina magega yukoirana aiga ase ensi ya Kenya mwancho murigirea ayo negati yali twabwate asense mwechi gazeto tekamienda lero timetingo se bado Malindi toko genda
actually from Kilifi kuru Kilifi
county ya
it's a
Kilifi
coincidence
ya
by
Verobe
we are talking about Tamaru and terangore kwa is it babu chia teranga to chati ko
ekaro kwa bekirege ndoto ntikani
chat mongwano ya magaiga na wachete akanyu kabisa mpaka akenyora mwabande arairi anywete kabisa mpaka to a point tare ku understand ya sana
ngikia mwire to
kote ganyweta marua mange wante manyete mpaka kenyora arairi ase amochio bande
abuge is it logic
jamaa jutia ulevi wake baada ya kujipata
kitanda ndingonywa tangana ko the experience mutandiri konyo na after the results kama mtatindi atinjanta
lakini tubwatie basane bakonywa anda kigero banyu
mutasani
muntu wenyoriro banyu
lakini ndanya kana mwabande hapo ni bagenda nyuma cyane
lakini yanywete mpaka kenyora ari mwabande
lakini to kama tinje
musaimu getigwe akairwa romete bona inara mubuli gotwa
mjamaa ajutia ulevi wake baada ya kujipata kitandani mwa Hawara ni somewhere different alipoteza mpaka baada ya kulewa chakari kwenye baa maarufu na alfajiri akajikuta kwenye kitanda kisicho chake akiwa na mwanamke mgeni kabisa. Right? That is nere dondo yeri tukuria rero.
Aina ali agocha nera kuse enestare hebinyo anyway. Frederick Ogemba watakora good morning korachense machana kuru massive awoteba nikagende teko wakilisha abantu bana kuru. Elizabeth Moige nikagoteba kurwa Nyagisai nyakwae pamoja hadi mwisho na husband Julius Torori na watoto wangu Methsela Rafael Peterson Onesmus na mother-in-law Patricia na boigo auntie Agnes mbia mono sana Isaac omweno omzae permanent niraota bukura bomba choge burabu niko ndani watching live kurwa chinsemo chia Nairobi Kibra showground igakoro chinsemo cha Nairobi Kibra lakini sobo mboma choge burabu suramba Rosafi awata kuro Nairobi mukuru kwa Ruben na onde meyo moroberio Bonventure Mobisa niraota kuro mosocho no are meyo moroberio ikomo airo dan kanombane onchiri eragota kurwa otanchi igoma nyamache bomogacho bobasi bia mono sana Isaac Nyandieka unonga agotakoro adoa Qatar watching live goika chinse mochiri cha Nyarenda bomachoge chache good morning to you Teresa Omboka Teresa nikagoteba kurwa Mathare North pamoja with Risa Seriane Damaris Kemunto na bantu bonsi baria kimai Bosamaro bia mono sana 04 baga neraotangane Joshua watching live from Nyaisa Manga Kitutu Masaba constituency agateva okay hawata mnaleta magazeti poa keep it up moyuete na boigo Jelda boss agateva kwa mpigo kurwa Getare County timetineleli
046
Getare County nerelia yiga ani senator Musuku mbia bona sana Jelda ase mwensi bali mugendete kulika ujumbe chene gusangana into chinsemo che mitando mbia mono genda utonyora abo Facebook na Getembe TV na boigo utonyora YouTube na Getembe TV Barnabas Gekonge Kevaso kageto no musane wasam ke sana agoteba Barnabas agendete go follow kora chinsemo chiri cha Qatar mbia mono sana nabo igo oyiga kwa Devi na Priscilla Nyasaina, Fred Moga, Elizabeth Moige abanegati abari bagendete gusangana into ime eyumurobere nayo mancho murigereria ayo tararika ujumbe ogendete utubwatie kiro asekero mbia mono sana kerete onye muri na Kiambori asense meiga chigazeti na fotorachi sikira
abantu bahonya maruna batagete batabwateshire
esherie bwate
babwatirichi
richikolije bekero I've seen the
lakini
complaints.
uyo tarakuneke nyuwa akaleke
Takuna.
tate
Abura toke mu abandi no yatoke demu.
ngiye waza kosa kwa
ya coincidence
Yo kwa rese sto. Uranywa marwa mango sinyo chegas man.
by the way yeah nene what effects
Ukulima.
na bokora nyoro unyweta maru and then ubunwa na maskan buchi asa abana bao
Ndena tevetenga nilikuwa nimechoka nikazima ngatabu mtu uzima ni ulevi ngaboli dirikero kendo konya roro sete kwa ikanyumba ko kwararo tari ko nyora ibintu binde ko atenga tigantu mukenje amangana na bongo chako del na aroma tari ukulima
Tokolima.
ukulima umuntu ukulima noyo
ngande squeeze ba tabanga karoti nite igo packet
But is the government aware the number of people wakunya maru Kenya?
Teko nyara komenya nonye bakubwatu ka statistics echo chiriko ba accurate yesegencho tari bare bibonzi bakorokia ngankunyu bare yes
ando maite
nandi tari bantu bonzi bachiri nyagitari bapimirunga kero kende binyuwe bigambira ase system gose nyene nyasore nera ase system
kwa sababu
Baba mochivo kunya maru.
yes yes
Mochivo kunya maru. Almost up to.
lakini bako etere mirango ya magi
Wale pata kechi papa chi expert. Ati mochivo kunya maru is worse than 10 people kunya maru kinyo. Because how do you drink in a uniform? Mochivo tinete. Eka ste ba arusti shatiria hapa tika tegotie e ground kiai. Wala kunya maru.
abo se umuntu bigite uniform umujamanara abayiga bakora ko medical rogusi karro musawe gana babigite uniform y'abanyanyimbo kagenda kanyoro mungu ano ndukonywa kamatevi ena to muna OCS muntu ndekwensi yogotumeke kenyuwa mwere bakarali egeta seni ky'abanyanyimbo oli akamutevi injetina anyukenda kamubuli nkiye ko bwata kamutevi nkoigwa kamutevi sawa agaonja kumbo molevi no molevi ekranyora nekenyuwa akabike bunduki kano agekaransa kanyo kerakora kamuruserie gotie ya kamwe bunduki ya kamutevi one sinja nagoyire etanana oyo konyororo molevi omwire okegeta seni ky'abanyanyimbo umuntu abwate tumuta
Ate maruma ida kwa respect. O mane mbonga magwa kwa respect.
nabo kwanda kunyuna anko yao
ekera mwe bunduki amakire gento nga ondifunsi okonyoro kwate ore enjira giteiga okobe baka police akamuchakirera
na benge skuru muntu uri ore the loudest agukoba prefect ya control noise you see wose umuntu uri wanjete gocha late aguri bagari yoko bell ringa ero tenete chinsa si na bensere anyway manganari korende na yense Kenya you know Kenya is a very funny country by the way Kenyans are very funny if you see the way social media has taken the issue of Amaru you could tell by the way Kenyans are comedians
aguga asinga njono chenga nabokora ebiro byao bya no le no bwangake kuko sibura sense mega igomanje murigere no gukonyorea nga una kwegure batebire ekenyuwa kosobole borobu mbo ati maskani igonya toratema tigana pi ande onde bwensi okupatira ni amangana yega tikobeka abana beskuru tikobeka abana bake ebo igo bwatia amachiko kole nento chikwira na kurikere amangana ndamange ekero twakorere nseme yirasebirebi
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingagi ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwata normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwata Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokorengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumuchuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase kinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali kinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogosira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boigo abonchereria ibotani na Kenya pamoja sako iyo nyore obukoreri ubuya ase kinse mubuna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon buna development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans salaried loans na boigo chi advance loans boigo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange patarire chiabis chiabo chire asumu chubusongo kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototarire website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sako kuna financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikomina chire within gusi ona into tora rogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosewa ase sake ese bali batara join please inchubwango mo join tukinie esako yeito bagusi yeito esa magendo wa Kenya pamoja, you our concern.
Ne noganie gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imisangirikano ya gisiasha, amatanga, chinyangi, chibirthday, misangirikano y'echikanisa, baby shower, anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo, inyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino, imijega ao bunabono housewarming parties, engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega ashirigo lidio gotugutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare no bamanyi baigoro igeti byete bwate signal ere enkongo iyigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukurika jumbenge wigo gwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simi gwitira namba 0741499726
Kyokomboli omwanone kiririjane
gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibia wanje tia Getembe television network wetera Zuku satellite channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe television network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amono chingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku satellite channel number 038 Getembe television network ekeonga kia mamogusi.
Ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge aha bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate eno borwere bwasumbuira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero woime hypertension no borwere kramanyinga kogenda igure somo be walfiti itosomete chinchereza tochokorwa ya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngentunga conventional medicine, yani ubonyagitari obwa kawaida itosomete ngentunga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntupiko amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esoko rwali ya marwaire. Nchirende ya gata tusomerete neka tukutumia international herbal medicine. Tukutumia marioga akurwese mete tuarwali ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntubwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na iguru wachi wake goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A ntubwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
World Fit Health Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka.
Subscribe ase channel ya Getembe TV rero ili wimanyibuna mangana watika kira chingaki ase channel ya YouTube ya Getembe TV nigo togukora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Getembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Getembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share n'abasani amune amate ebyo bayigokie bemanye nawe semya tubase kwiba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ebyo onyari kubagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Getembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie. Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyari kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya asegeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kila nafsi na
twichanire kuraria gukwa wa Sheldon na Uguri Nyabuto gukwa kwarariwe wa Sheldon na Uguri Nyabuto nigo ari umwana Moses Nyabuto n'umungina Josephine Kerubo Nyabuto abana bamwabo ngamona Jovri Mura Kayaga Edna Elizabeth na Naomi nigo chianko chiaje gusaba isamoke ngamona Orondo Ungubo David Richard Oino George Tom Isaac Onsarigo William Cheverson Ongubo Wako Nyabicha Ronald kurwa USA Julius Ocharo na Andrew abangina mokenga mona Sabina Teresa Kimto Basivika Gladys Mary Judy Nora Esther Eunice Doris Kerubo Lydia abakuru kwa Rose Naomi Grace na Beatrice mbamwabo John Mwange kurwa Grigoris Combrate Bisonga Bernard Justin Keva Samuel balibakuru kwa Kayaga Omwagi Geoffrey Onsarigo Getembe FM na Getembe TV nabande abange nigo ari umuchokoro bw'abarenya gusira Simba Mugire Kiyondi Kayaga Omwega Nyanchoka Kiriamakuru wa Nyaribari Otiso Negusira Agnes Negusira Murara na umuchango nobe chitariki 30 mutinyo gatano na kabiri mwaka uyo asenka yabo na umubere nurushwe asenke ndu ya Chironi Mojel chitariki 34 ya mutinyo gatano kabiri mwaka uyo asabirwe na kwenigwa etariki AM umutinyi ugatano na gatatu mwaka 2025 asekenyoro kia Butire Village Gakero Sublocation Majoge Bus Ward wa Machoge Chache ime county ya Kisii ukunuko kwa tuaralire wa Sheldon Oguri Nyabuto kurwa Getembe Farm na Getembe Television nikotua tumire amagombo chinga kichi chobokendu obonene
tulikotoka mavumbini tutarudi.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinsemo buno savings loans obosemi bugutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase Wakenya pamoja sako yabere ogosira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire gose bali ensemo ya pension boygo abonchereria ibwatani na Wakenya pamoja sako ilyonyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinsemo buna obosemigoro y'obutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon buna development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kose mobile payments kabe oyomo Wakenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusongo kahawa house raja moja asipara ya Kisii sotik siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isaac Omwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate branch chito ikome na inya chire within Gusii wanaintu toro konyo Gusii soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese bali batara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeito na Gusii yeito esa magenda Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzitosomya bamura bakikuya mandegere uzitosomya bamura bakikuya mandegere
nende mwancho murigire karato ogenderete ase umurobere iga obene umurobere bwitwane iya Getembe mienda sam Nyasaye aise okay umunguru ngo sini ari abantu
Very true.
umunguru aho sini n'abana abana mbale ngoraga ni gutwara
Biblically ubwo yabatavanga mwende mwibana buno mu Kenya nyanja.
karati gana biblically.
No, I have to refer the Bible first of all.
Yes, ubwo na tevitega ki muchore buno mu Kenya wari nyanja. Lakini aye kiro kurigiria uchumi alafu kuri na uwezo yao kwa sisi kutoka kwa twalire mete marange mo tamira na inake warekega aba sabange mo tenga bitoki mbio biachire abana mbale ngoraga ni gutwara
Barinya Sara nganchire ntware by the way. I think those are the children I'll have.
Sasa wanjire nkonyorole.
Nkonyo, of course yes. Lakini renda.
But umete plan nero kutwara naki. Ni ntwara chibesa mono. Tinkuga ningentani barenga. Batano. Tinkuga ningentani usembabere. Waso muntu atebenga konya Sara ansizeni biye ganyore kiri gento kebe constant. Alafu ebintu bigenda puno okogani kwanya sae kore. Inchina pondaga ne utwara abana bangani to batebanga. Okay. Na biko nyare kana umete kare bara konyoro bakasa abana bakwerera.
Okay, bono enche kolengana buna kwa mbolia. I'll have Barinya Sara nche, but of course muntu mmoja konyora nere you have to sit also discuss because njina bonda atwara opinion. I could have wished to twara as many as possible by the lakini bono oyo igamugocha the mother of your children nere na what opinion yae. Nere na tagete the fact as you consider ga konyora abana asibono iga nyebinte binge number 1 I personally know bwate ekerengeringa abana ntagete maybe 5 10 12 or whatever factor number 2 gocha oyo moko nyora nere how ready she konyora abotagete nere na what opinion yaenga ya gwikira bono iga gose gwikira bono uwezo wanendoje na nje na bontagete banga na iga so it's a conversation, it's a caucus, you have to discuss mumanyenga aye nere at what number. Number 2, the economy of now dictates you mbarengo bwente kutwara. We read the magazine the other time watanga bantu mutati konyora bana bana by the way including bari bata tite ko.
Singento mundo ko irageria ayo ko
monyene is a problem. Then what about kerom ngina bana banaro na bana baba nyene bagore taki baro. But all in all ende inchengo tebanga Barinya Sara nganchiri kutwara. Yes. But I'm not also advising people to have children out of the wedlock, out of marriage. Lakini rende have many children at least chances chogo naboya atako konyo mutangani ochonyora bana ntubwe kaini unami nari na murega mubwe kaini abana bari different but I'm not encouraging abantu baende konyora bana outside the wedlock or whatever the marriage lakini rende have children gerenganya sana bara gusisini gwetira sabana that is it.
Asinganeyo niko turache kurigereria oroboti kurase county ya Nyamira rwariganire no murikito Polycarp Okara ase enka ya Richard Oyaro akoega niko asesenirie na bana 10 yomo korende bono egente kigekuruko obotaka sam usogo iserwa na ko kwabero muchando okegima oyegani gakorwa ase ekenyoro ekemo ekikigotoka meyo ward ya Bukira eyo bono kose kenyoro kya bubarache kutoka chinse mucha keboboa ward ya Bukira imea north mugirange county ya Nyamira ekiro mugaka Richard Oyaro oyore na bana bae 10 yomo bono bamenyete ase inyumba eyamo na boigo gwikira nonye abachokoro yatoka nonye nendagira konyora niko ekoba akongo mancho murigeria roboti oro origere chibichecho chikobwatia sembeo
Neriugi helikotwarigania asinke yega ya Richard Oyaro miyekenyore keiga kya bubaracho kebubura iwadiga ya Bukere bunga ya North Mugirango. Richard Oyaro nigabwata abana 10 abo agendete gukinia asobutako bunene inyorekane ng'abana abo bonsi 10 gokomenta muna abachukuru banda bake nigo bamenyete enyombe yemo amuna abaibuli abiga
ubutaka ono kibwa tugurimo bwatu gurimo bakego ono ugo kogera kwa ya nyarikana no konyora kwane gokonga
niginto korengana muno yaro aereire nchira akobakineria obokongu
ono urke wika na bingo betelio mondo soko ogena wane kibogo kia miambi bende barage tachi kwiba
korengana muno nabamate baye nigo bagendere ko bakwerera buna nama eneo mugakoyiga nigagwetera emechande menene yobotaka igento batugiriyo mujumbe borongori garwa North Mugirango musike Joash Nyamoko uyo obwatukira obokonyi bwa mabati gweke 30 elio ajikobunderwa enyumba igento boigo bagende ko bagosegeta abanyakenyero kubwatisha mugakoyiga koro isi enyumba yiga asibe ko babulira baraibande kwene kibunango yasona ni bali na kurambora okoboko kwabo elio okonya ya mateyiga
Ako emyaka emingi omanyereire obokongu abana bwata abana ngagira tiyo nora abana muna bali noni kenye ndi ngwenyara kangana nya bonkonyo bokonyi boke kwende ke twarore abantu mwakire abwenta siyirwe entu akirinya sambia mona sabali wala musire kubwa mono mno mwempia moya mwatsara sin mokonya na ndage entu abeke nyuro tumusindise soko asitokonyara tumwagachere era amenye muna abantu bana na kangombe na nyora anya guchunia saba chukura babwate nyumwa bara bandi bali nsali mande
jene community health promoter yo mwaka inchi nje moteneta se moyo baten wakiro mweshimiwa Josh Nyamuko MP itongambi yamono asenge ncha mukonyira mabati agache linda abana bayamete na abana bonsi pinyomba eyemo egara rusi abana nyomba nyara abana se bakobera mbi yamono naende tokotebonde bwensi abarayi baito gwanzira omugafana omugwimenere po moseneta akinkeye bwate emechando none ndagira bakonyora sobokongu ondora abakonya anyare ko bakonya none ndagira na abana banyore chianga bakobeka
kulingana na Nixon Orwaru oyu chana ntrenera yilibagario mujumbe nigo akirengambia mono guchasa mujumbe kuwatakana mona kiri agenda gukora guchasa binyurime asino nyina bama buri mujumbe gotambe yokoboko ili gukonya eyamate yiga asikiringe yamate ni gegendete ko bagigwetera makongu amanene
anyoreta mangana kuri ekinyoro gya kebubura arenga no mochano sana otabana tigacha sire family na mabati sarasi kimawata na ndina ko mo request because kuna kuligire condition erega enyombe ye ere na ndaba konya mangane empowerment na bana onye ngombe yemo lindo mukako ibuna mumuroche gaki era nyora mabere abana abanyakonyora
omweri oyeniyo eyamategamo n'abanyakenyero amwakira omujumbe ngambi yamono asama be babwate gochase ebinyoro au
ono hoti anda abakene yamono naindi onsia semogonyara
omuchumbe Nyamuko nabwate mukisana boja story kubwa mono mnaomba litwarorera akonyire ende na otukuibunga na ntwa tokonye akonye kubwa mono mwako yo story egere tunyo kumwira neli bia mono ande ntogende kumusira chinga chionse
iginko reporter getasene kya wanchite kya gatembe kuriga ime county ya Nyamira inche gonkuru kwa Polycarp okara
mienda se robot bunoroiga kayo montava ogochakira ritangani ekiagera aige gente gitangani okorigireri abana mbara abange sana babante gosirwa abana babante go school babante konya wale ndagera enyomba bakoberere umete human beings n'abantu baganire koberase yani your dignity umete as much as naboto gotamba na shelter shelter enyomba na bego toka nga kagicha kero kende egotange kurwase mbura go save into binde lakini nega neria maskani yo muntu ali awo na mwanya bantu etoke no mwana musubati go so mwana mumura amaskani awatu kana mona sema ngana yo bomenyo meteno abantu nabatware nyumba lakini etoke nga oburukaneti abana bamura n'abanyaruka bametamo bado to mbaranyo lege ntukirikiganire na boigo ase mangana buna ayechanga mangana yendagera na bego chiabako
you see Matilda buna twasomete these other classes class 1 2 3 4 wachabu under the 844 system twasomete basic needs chiriani omuntu atabwene tikomocha muntu aligetia mangana yendagira food kubeka chianga and then shelter. Those were the basic, the three of them by the way, they were the basic ones. Lakini lero we have extended, even education is now becoming basic by the way. Ntagetenda tebi mote mu rigere litu ntobwate ngendo tokorokanga obotakambore aina different tobwate absolute na tokatwara relative. Absolute poverty na kike twara gali. You are not even able konyora the basic needs chirichire chibwenete ase asomuntu unabono konyore ndagere yabega sienkong konyore clothing, konyora nane shelter sokobera, yabe gasi enkong. That is now what we call absolute poverty. Yani binto bidibire basic you are supposed to kutwara, you don't have them. Togocha, another type of poverty, iyo kurukwanga relative poverty. At least even tevin konyorore sokoragera, clothing no tatuara chingia, but no bwata at least, na shelter no tatuara nyombe ngia, but nara no korteki, no bwate, somewhere you can shelter. Ponongiche, according to what I've seen there, aba never 11. And I want to tell you, if you do the data of abanaba, you could telling her, jeri wase chinga kichiri batigaine kuro konyoro kwabo igere kesana. Nande kumaitenga umwana kararo moke, by the way, need cia igo chiko koreki igo chiko bachinyinge. Nande this is when umwana are very sensitive. Tara manyeki yakora na wento konyore yanga, na wento konyore ndagera at a certain time. Tenga mona monto monene. Inchomo etana bongo survive with one meal or even not. Unabona bwanya nabo kuri nyomba kango cha konyore ndagera. Not that they it's only that maybe you are busy, you are doing your things, because no energy. Lakini for a child, no monto gitu kuragera, aga ndagera aga kagake, but
energy bago tumekanigere goro.
Ega kagake, but in toku morenganinga, unayo kuragera ose mambi, nande sasa bana nane marago. No mwana kuragera anytime nata teki.
Nande ndagira yabana nebo nteko ba special.
Nebo nteko ba special ko boost in immunity yabo. So when I'm looking at that family, I really felt so sad.
Mente taringa na bana boka to kwanira sinke yega abacho kurumbaroro.
So what is the state of abana bunawaiga? But all in all, you see, it's not nobody's problem. Nyasaye na sinet kiro monto bunale, and even us, maybe andake we at some point like that. But it's only that umonda jata realizing I want to change the story. So before that child na ragali yomo kenche na ikakorra umwana oli miakare be it around 5-6 years. How patient will these parents be? Mga kulikuwa rogotire. Abacho kurumbara how patient will he be? Konyora at least the happiness ere fair off. Happiness yere day and say by way, but at least koba fair off. So what I'm happy about na rama makurende ama tokoro kama bati kago sombo chiali. It's a big shout out that tigaba mubekera na nyumba at first mubekera nyumba and about another way bakomokonye, because that is an urgent need, by the way. Family bune chinechi nyinge chire but elito ikire korra lero iga, that's an urgent need. After bamubekera nyumba at least something better no ene kitanda no maybe enchira yani nerara amenya at least are safe. I'm sure montoria kerembure gutwa abantu maite kerembure gutwa bakwanire mtukurusko. Na vera benga nkwano rare bintebi within that house to a point like last masuki ya secretary atari gutwane na mono ali se bakorara na vera be decent kitanda nkeyo. So anybody those baribo bwate maybe okuganyoko ya can help such families. And material lastly intuna abagusi tigatwanchane abo gwanoria ekenyorongo mokonya kere in one way or the other. Na buranyore nko baretra bale ndagera na buranyore nko bakonya bale in other ways. Sometimes let us have a community project such that abantu bari bamyate that absolute poverty abanyakenyero bari bare gocho mundari weke kwende ngakitokoroka ibati elimo undaru kende ya undare tegetanda. I've seen such things happen by the abantu bakwa mwanga specifically tikato konye familia ondo chanege chike kemo dineke nesania yemo at least umuntu nere neba ngatore mire kuro umuntu nare mire kivyake, lakini umuntu nero tema koba at a point like
and imienda asa abana bakromochi kosechi nkabune chiga and natutebanga nabuko ganigo change story yenka anda kengonyoro monto olini libageliga ikiagera ebitoki bitayo asa abana bange babokonyoranga nonye skuru kera gotema kugenda osabana bagena bakobo mungani ese skuru lakini kwa racing enchonga che okuborwa koli goiserukoli ekera sekera abana begani go bale chinjera bagoseligo useka ise gutukanga umwalimu understand institution yo mwana oyiga tari ko moseli gusaba ari batenga ati kabamurwere chibesa kwa nyoranga nonya chi uniform chi abana baiga enchiriko balao banyare nonya self esteem yabo terikoba teribagi kwa nyara gutwara umwikori okubaisane kinga babere buna abana bande kwa nyara umuntu akonya kuira nana na bale skuru ngo iwale no mwana omungaine lakini nonye chibesa nabo chirakano lakini kwa nyara umwana uyu gekera kurigire ubukima bwaye no bwa abana bande oirana na okonyora ago ya isolate kurasa abana bande ikikamwirira kwa nyara umwana bwa stress onenere koleta child stress
including egento geko abachikorombara as a family. You see buna abana baiseka okonyaranga bare endangered. Mwana mwisike no muntu uganetia magania mange gwetani omwana mumura. Ntubwate bitamba byo bochanu and all those maybe amubero yenere nabwenerete koba maybe encheregete koma akonyaranga igago fall to trap like umuntu mungainanga inchungende nkwe listening. That's why you find in most families na obare mirepi lakini uchikorgereri abana baiseke igobanyorete maybe abana gwetani number 5 tari ogwanje. You see no muntu maybe ochiete kurigi egento getenga tiangende nyoro gusine ndagera ndetara bayiburi bane umuntu akamutabinga before ndara kwa ebeseye gusegente kiga I have to you have to do something. Just the same way we have seen these things happen. There are many offices you can go mwana abana banyaruka they are suffering. Like lazima umuntu atagete favor fulani before atara kolere gento. The same way chi family chiri bwato polemero. Maitentu eboriga nae lakini tali ntwale ngasembe. Why do you find out abantu bali bare mire still they are the ones babwate abana bangi. It's factors chiko gara tari ogwancha.
Umuntu na utafiti isi abere chigukoro osekero kurigirira nonye ase abantu abasoma gose experts sekero tukurige bona mangana birth control okay ntuntora ikabu lakini andake kero kurigiriria nonye ne wizara buna bono yo bocheno kero bakumurikira mangana yaiga yokubangoro igoro akonyaranga abantu abaiga marange factors chiri chiko contributing ngamo obutaka na buboko begente getangane kuna watebo konyoro muntu kero kenda kwirana esinjo nkabya sambire mise ko so ase nyomo usengise ko tema kogenda no muntu na bakonkonya na ubugima bwane burabe beta konyoro chirali bya sambire nyo rebinte birebe ngao abana baso ira ase in the picture anda samanganande omete tutebani amane konyaranga abantu abaigani goba bwate kero kene gusina singinje yokoborwa emiremo abantu abaigamba bwate time mete mbabwate chingaki nande baramo and like abantu abaiga basokire bono konyaranga kero kendo umuntu ni gali Nairobi umwancho ni gati gali telisabu kero umuntu nkolikiare barabuna bo konyaranga nonya birth control abatakenda gukora family planning barabuna bo egocha automatic kiagera ya abantu mbabwati time aboigo kero tukuriya magana na chigasi chiriko bala okumerana
including even Matilda even umaita abantu abatabwati buna bono I don't imagine nga umuntu buno naenda nyagitari kuri seek for those pills cha birth control
wakanira
kwa sababu wakanira
ebe serio gutoka nokura kurira abana bali barororo gento geke by the time agocha realizing na bonte gukora family planning okonyoranga yabire too late usechibese chiri cyare ngoro besa kosinchi yo sinchi to gusaba umuntu endagera kusumuntu tawo chako gukonyi bwendagera ekero kene kero koigure bobe abange baho meto konyore mebere umubire nabo umuntu akoigubobe obayigo bakumubiro cha kubwana bweka ande kiki na kikapekira magema yabantu abange asa kongo
including bono kwanyoronga bono umuntu bunoria na babwata abana banyaruka mbachete school we ego they are very idle abantu bari bakubanyora batemjito gende gucia
nento kekogera abana baikaptagende school okay tari na sencherembe abana buna bayo konyora abange umwana nabaguchake school bya lakini singe yoko seli gukori nabo kwanyore community ngochangirire ekiagera twarore chinkanchiraro ugoisero koraro mienda no nyina at some point ndire kware goseri kuchibesa ugoisero ngoraro lakini bone nchira no nye community ko bayirera nero ngo twarire ribagali nene kwanyora abantu bachakirenga nalindi lyonsi turache tumusirira abana bonsi igento bunekyo usokwate bamwe mwana oli onyagete abantu enda mwamu nero neraro omwana onyagete embabwati nande numungaine bona chikongo chikomwakanira tariko chikobwa bya abo yabane bona okonyere bintu bunebiga stigmelie gocha seke nyorange senge njombabwati abana bachaire umwana akoro kubo chaye bake school yero umwana kwanyoro chakire kwange school na mbosa yo
bono egento ndatebe nchienda ruko semi bwana gochia sabanya kenyero we have a part we play kerege buna keria kokorekana mondo ritari akamanya tasike tari bwika umuntu yabantu muri if you are able onye gokunyara gokonya umuntu at a point like na tari lazima tu are extra ma gokonya umuntu Matilda nabongo na nje nabongo twara buremero lakini ebintu mbere so agent wakonya umuntu onye ne community onye I could have wished correct community umuntu atabwati pi omotako abaera gose nabaere to whatever yani hana mbele wala nyuma asike ke Kiswahili yako tabanga ule maskini ambaye hana mbele wala nyuma let this person be a community project like tigabe community project in terms of koira na banisku
amate umonjo libagari ya olitana
na bwate chindu kuchiaye na bwate umugambi what is the position of abagambi by the way abagambi when this thing comes umugambi ukutakira umuturate
na kiki na beri ngoirorera
responsibility
boiresa amungaki nkonyorore no nyene serikali gose bunapona abajumbe bamwire ase constituency yae ose asekere ward batebanga tiga torigi chibesa tobeke nsemo chigore no achi bando chiguni abantu chinkanjiro rokonyora batari konyora no nyomotoriro ega gose chibande gorogoro na bahe kuno emetoriro 10 gose no nyemetoriro 5 banyara gusikeria matuko lakini yatoka abantu bagutumeka koreta amarieta ega mbali bakurwa sevinyoro abatuleti abaiga abagambi lakini bono konyora ngana ndabantu bakwenda comment weni beli mbali baranyare kwenyorera omonto otabwati pi asekenyora konyora no nyena abantu ose no nyomurai ekera gocho kurikia arieta ari abantu baisire bwente gokonyi abakobogerera baetera makolu betachipara bete michiende basangiriria marieta kwanyora omonto otigirwo kero kende basa gotebanga ngantu amonyorete tokorete gento kete
no the community is aware about these people
abantu mbamanyite neri naki abantu ntwanchaini abantu bande obokonyi mboraro by the way abantu mboraro babate chingoro chingi abantu bokonya baliskaiga lakini gocho ikero bokonyi oboiga konyora ngapaka no nyomoturete ate totware connections umakonyora bokonyi kurasa umugambi
iko gakiaba gusitiga tutwaro bwanchani if there is a way we can be helping including abarai tuwasomera ngazeti watabanga these people especially kurugusi they are all flying with jobbers by the way let us have something that no mojumbe abwate a very different approach which is abanta watabwate piani and there's nothing good you can ever do karwa kwanyiro muntu by the way it is the best thing the feeling aina kweba lakini that feeling that umuntu onankonya make sure I'm sleeping good material let me tell you a story ngurunda gaiti radio sasa chabo tukokera na kurumurugoli ngwetande galia and the number of children konyora baswati mbaro mulambaro konyora baraire outside the shops chabantu then you really wonder how let's say oro mwana gosino mwana miaka 20 mwana miaka 15 no hariskari no akorara on a daily basis umuntu yorari even more than 10 years how does this person survive in these conditions umuntu yakara korwara ngaiko sakari uchinyigitali how does this person survive konyora on a daily meal umuntu ngaki embretu embebe teba umuntu is still there we need to have humanity nkaga burigere ngaki umuntu utabugati kabe whistleblower there's this what we call whistleblower kabanga naye quality agenda ngaga kiaya umuntu yagaki njirale ihare bobe muno talinga lazima utu aruwezo no tamokonya pia whistleblower tebanga gaki umuntu njirale nembe let us come as a community. Let us have a project on a community. Ebyo mberero no nebitagwe bye kenyoro. Let us have somewhere we think about those people. Batabu atipi completely, but absolutely poor. They cannot even produce a daily meal. Let us have an issue yoko bakonyi. Koene na aro reservation zinjira. Abantu mbere no embono. Bana barabu gusinyiko bakonyi.
Eto kayo gokonyulioka.
Tari gokonyulioka. Omuntu na bwata amaremende mero kabisa. Onire mpaka in fact yatigariti no na sako beka. Echo enyomba yabo chenitei. Mondo buno yonere ukuno kweretera.
Kose kwasiro kwanyoronga no bwaticha mama pima echo kogenda kwabikirwe Kenya. Ekenya mo.
Kenya bako gatengi bombo.
Lakini mwao abantu bamenyete injara. Umete na yengo chire yalete bicheri. Mwanya abantu nabo bagwe kabate anaki. Ngaye echo konywera chikorwa. Ngaye echo kwegokeria chikorwa. Lakini abana baseribu. Abana nse bagotacha kusaba namba bwatine changa bakobeka. Yo negati yemechandeli to ko enekia goseri to konyora ana mona kiro to menyete ase ebinyoro na haboigo miende ntogire na reko koeranga na bokonyoro wate ange chimisano iga wake sabu wate anga no wate kosigwa ke kwa beke budget yao kwari wate ba maile ibintu mbiro bwana ntagokora nande besete kwisana bosena bubwate no nyakaribu kwanya kwebulinga obo keke mambe nyore magokoro ori ori asike nyoro asebezeri bwate amufekero no nyine otumoke tomo tekende gyonse oigungia korwate most of the times umuntu akowakire simya batebi mbia muno sana mochokoro hakio echiacha at the right time nalengega na iga kwa muteyaya ebintu mbibebia do you know that it's surprising chiro rora ya kusumuntu ndibwensi ori omanyete no nyanka gari kwanyoro umuntu okwaniririe ta rio goseseni asore otalengerete
it's good I think kagaria life is a bit cheaper tenga town you have to buy like everything
okonyo umuntu awate baketi bando lakini besa yo kwenda itingateyo
teyo yes that's what I'm telling you
narako gwakirega kwarigire gosema mumino goseno onyo umwana umino muntu ndo tari lazima boyo umino muntu raro konyo rumete nonye comrade danos ayo tuli korigire saka pesa kali bwatere rori baga otevere rori baga nare utukobore nsugo senenchi siringi meine tikando sie miye ga usechi mivere mbekira muntu gete tonya komote
like now by the comrades are serving
omanya go tebi the outcomes buna chikoba
you know
yes
much as I graduated the other year bado nima etobo mabwe comrade I still remember vividly by the way mabwe comrade especially umwana ore college obore merungo toka bore mato no muntu ore committed sana otaite kuikarania ndoto yaye yoko bakiria taita koba ore skuru buna bona when you are dealing with these courses medical courses etagete commitment by the igetagete you commit yourself be it buna abana bagosoma KMTC from 8 you are there paka 5 because ekentongere point utagete konyora ng'omwana oyo maybe tabwatie nchera aranyore some extra cash chira mokonye maybe anyora ne chingeni esukari anyore no ene skuma on a daily basis bono obogoma bolingo chibore bwakonga in these colleges and universities to bugango monto ko graduate ko beke gown is 1+1 monto yo etira makongwa mange the other time we were discussing about
comrade keroroche comrade andonsi I will pick no 50 bob
we pick no 50 bob yes and another thing
ekerekenene to beka uchi na mbembe
and another thing I don't know why this becomes a coincidence something I've discussed over the radio we must discuss it here lakini mbia egera abantu bose bakenyore gentekeyo nando mwiburi tiako buna bono abana mbale bako cho join I think uchakra next month year mambia I think mambingo sotra next month August abana mbale bako cho so abon I want to believe that mwiburi they all these 9 months kwa berenere kwa mwere sirenga kyobo maburi gwanda ranyora na abantu abaya gwanda ranyora na some friends tumatinga kikwa mubangire if there's a way umwana oramo support na anyore njera konyora magenanya koni after classes please do it tari mwana ojikoba creative na yabono go take these responsibilities
na ba okora content onyo mwana ka okora content kagicha atukare disciplined akora content ire ya maskani
ke content ya maskani
na to kwanire ngalero kurugusi eto kurigireria abana abasaye ba okora content kote mabale ekerekene na abantu bakora content irembe yogo dalilisha abantu bande
so yani
ko maskani
omoibori if you can have some 10,000 extra somewhere no a committee or so mwana yo nera very responsible na bakonyoranga nero konyekire in one way or the other in such a way egerenga we find a way we can take role empowered ayo monyene even your morals comes good. Are you aware there are some ladies they are where they are doing whatever they are doing because of the lack of support by the way bago kore gesenge nchonga njirendete yo barakore banyore ebesa kosenjira bako kimu mahitaji abuno mwana omanyaroka by the way you can tell nga mahitaji abata na mange including ebitamba bya bachenu tigana mangana primary school and high school kiragwa ikire in a college you are a big person and people will be like onyo yo tabuka tiki kento ketega how is it so aba will be the biggest support if there are people who need your support no mwana ore college or university by the way you got to get support from any
koba buna mosi uchi bari moiga amongo abantu bachakira gutwara umuchando weka bongo singe choko kwengerwa ne birengererio na mienda tutarachi kuiyenga ne yose obime mono Phyllis Nyaboke korase university ya Kisii no monyaroka ogendete na masomae kurende ni gonere nyare tukurigia inchira yokugendera akomenya akanyara gochaka konia egetiri korengana muno murikito Gabriel Nyakundi agutumenya buna Phyllis oyiga nigo ari omwana bo mwibori oyomo oyobereka gwetera amakongo kurende nabwate ayo akorera igoro yekikereretere agachaka okonia egeteri ime yomochie obosongo manche murigere robotoro asembeo
abaroki wa Croas Chisukuru egoro gose university ne college nigo bagwetera amakongo ao anene mono kubwatikana no boremerwa Croas chiamate chiria bakorwa neke mukiabo keria kerere igati yabarokiwa kwimukia egetambukiro ao irio kunyora chibesa irio kwikinia amagimabo nabo igo kwiyakanira ase amasomo abo. Phyllis Nyaboke nigati yabarokiwa Croas University ya Kisii igo aimugetie getambukiro yokonia egetheri ase town ya Bosongo irio kwiyakanira ase amasomo ae.
Tango Phyllis Nyaboke kuwe kenyoro kiasironga cheno morokiwa Kisii University omwaka gatatu ina chaite bya sare byo gochoreria byo kone gitere kero na choine Kisii University omwaka mutangana ekikiagere nga chake bya sare ina rigiti ko rwari ngasengorwa nganyora moibori bwata no yomo oyo kumama takanyarera ko kero na 2022 kero na ringe form 4 nari tatu ndasirete kanyora kera bayibori bare se family bose konyara bare go support at least mwaska ase kiwango kindi kasangi bono sometimes challenges chinyinge kera turabana batanu na babere abaski batanu na babere challenges ere nyinge tori konyora ngeni none ndaire kuborokuri kanyora na amatukaya konyora nde free baratiganye tumu karorege ntukiranye beka no mono no bonchero gwegideri kengoni ase nyingeta unya usonga
nigo arure obosemia guchia sabasae anene mono bali abare asiji university ukora umukia asichigase ao ekero chingaki bale asimitimoko
nchengo badena etume asichigase dichinde cyose moko nyononye muchengo etume ebese ine ya maana sore kubwa kuiro koboko gutambe guchikoibe gento cy'umuntu keroro musae tumeko busae bwa buya mostri abana tori cameras usantori sometimes to batero ngofis yabuna kwenda inga kunya gusura titaoni kunya gusaberera ya no bwata magoka abere nabo kuriga sende yose ndoro itome wese go konya guchutu
nigo arure okubulia guchia sia barai bali bare obisi kwene kyango konya bale chiamate chirichirense
ya baikara stese biro ngo bateinga mwarigere tifambiri nchiro kitari kwenyara mwa tifambiri nchire chire pimono usangi sometimes mbabwati kenda abana bare school bari gosoma bari kwenda school akingo basaba baraya baito akitokonye torusi isiko motoire school
kingo reporteria igateseni wanchite kende gikomike getembe kurwasi ubugatagati we town ya Bosongo nchenguruko Nyakundi Gabriel.
Miyenda. Ai creo que ningwa temeto bonchoria kore school.
Number one, oyo hapo ndio nilisoma Kisii University and I'm happy in a comrade. Nabana match kumaligeria kinabana match koranga na morra. In secondary school, apart tintemetivo bonchoria, but there's things I could do that could give me something. There's a kasaiba I used to operate a friend. Ngana nama konya services na anyora gentoke keiga. Also I could do writing, by the way. There's some writing I could do, and then kwanyora no ensiringi beresa toiga chigo konya no gore sukuma and a series of other things na takete kwegere kinyonzi lakini tinje tukwegera buya. Those are some of the things I could try egere gekwe kabesa. and a lot of things. I did a lot. Ninche ninkolete binte bingegere nyore kabesa.
Ingige ko irakiro kende okoranga aborokiwa pande ngonyora bale bitango asugutachaka obonsori obunobo. For instance, omonto okay, nchitingo tebanga koseneri baganali netu. Ekero wasomera buna bono mochio Nairobi, obugatagati bo mochio Nairobi. Emineti yange ase okomenya bakaba bit expensive.
Very true.
Egente getagani onye tobu atie bitoki. Tokonyara goikana onye kirasi. Eigo kire tibete lakini abange mbale urabona abanyaruka babonira icyanga babonira ibikoroto abantu bakora ibintu binge ebyo byabasukirie kero bagenderete namage mabo ase ichiskuru. Lakini I think nande kero yabiringa obutaka ngo baburo bonge mono nabeko be challenge.
For sure.
Senjo muntu konyora nonye capital yo guchakira ibintu biga. Kusenchira kimuntu abonye konyora capital ichiga.
Capital nere ko bemo chando lakini buna bono isa kubuli
abo igo tali bantu bonsi umete ngastenchira buga kurateba tali bantu bonsi babwate ebirengererio yani bagutwara obumanya samangana y'ebiashara tali bantu bonsi barakora obunjoriria
tali bonsi it's very true na rango bwatira interest yo muntu lakini egentongera kwa mbolinga ngiye kugera ngiye kobere getango guchiase maybe kagoliye kegeke factors ne chinyingi including let me tell you majority of the people bonoiga abantu mbare batara achieve egento batagete gwa achieve esengenje batatemete yani muntu tatemete igo tuwa ijasiri tagatebanga aiga chagete ko negative nteme genteka egetindo chiko senkebe watiga igo. So the only thing that kirago konye you as a comrade is to take that bold step egente kyo gwa avoid ikyo ikibona gego kwa egento bwendeta konyora buna bono Phyllis tigireri I'm sorry to say oisa kumoligerebia no monyaro korebia na harebia no nekeni nchirare very normal one. If she could say it's an embarrassment, was no boso ku tari githeri ne gakabukeri tari go achieve whatever she's achieving now. Lakini I saying jo take that bold step. Yeah? She's getting something and I want to tell you. Entakete I wish nchemonyore gari ndamwira gari aseredi. Phyllis can tell you nanya saya namoroche. Onye litu kondra egitheri ya tigarete kya motigarete taoneti. I think lione tukuri alengo sene ya maandamano bantu batalengo. Lakini on a normal day tinga gere tinga no yani kuirekere some minutes ko koraki ko era okay na hando soko mobile another thing ABD na that what we call maintaining that business umatana na bora nyore faida litangani o yili kuchigari lakini now maintaining and ensuring that thing na refocus na take to ikirege ntugete. So in this world the thing that you need to do kelinga keriota etiko korapi keribono avoid te tabanga keaye keke ekibona kikibona ke koletere niwo kwarade. So abaiseke I wish abaiseke mbaro chiketembe na abaibori mbaro give your children an example. It is not bad. In fact, even what you'll wake up in the morning again torengerati ngakinko yeka ngakinko nyore keneke you could time go think about other things that cannot help you. Tokonyora time.
Because konyora ko emiga na echinse cyo kwande kerasi. Yani atagete buna akora iga oiranira ase kiazala.
Oiranira ase kiazala bia. And let us have a conversation. Let Phyllis be someone. And I wish Matilda one day you could bring her by the way here. Abe, that's from the reporting side. Achega iga live. At least we find out.
Abange punere. I think nano munyaruka na cross story ngoro agusi. Manyaka tuna Beverly ne kwamboka. Na restori ya atalete sana alenga simu chyo Nairobi alenge kone chips munyaruka uyo nere akero kumurigire kururiri obugima bwaye bwachenjete bakaboni gatari
the same person
tawo compare obugima bwaye buna abwa matukari. Yes.
So what I'm saying getting everybody just like I've said empower your children mundu taye wacha kurwande empower your children naye oramwe empower your children but I'm liking this na anchire enchira ko lebintu bya of which is good ikina kikira anyara ko bagako mokonya anyara ko bagago kimwa mahitaji especially now kwa igwanga igara mwana bwe mwibori yomo those who single parents be it no tatu mwabo sama mwabo and the rate of single motherhood and the fatherhood ya erebono iga nigere igoro mono. So the only way oranyara ko bago konyo mwibori yo single mother go single father it is true being creative rero ge content nero ya
kwa rigererio mwana umunyaruka nake ntubatu mwana boy child
bintu barakora nebingi. I'm a boy, I did a lot. Matilda, like me, for those people who know me, they can tell you nga in Chesam I can do anything. Muna bone dukanera alia koni chichuma chiria chio kwerende chisimiti aliroche dukaya uhuru. I've done that. Chisimiti 600 chigo chagali kwende goro na sombire. There's nothing I haven't tried by the kama mjengo. I've tried that. Kinyonzi kero kingia ngechetu koko timbeti fast lana buya. Cyber I've done cyber. Writing I've done writing. What else can I say? I've done a lot. So also mwana mumurana yaro bwate chances chinyinge. Chi cyber nchiro including nano mwana mwiseke. Mwana mumurana bakora mjengo. Mwana mumura can even do what we call
There was what no vale kinyonzi.
Ya kinyonzi. You can also do lero bunabona abana baiseke salon. By the way, nakumina you are fellow comrades.
Lero na ubakorosi chituki.
Na bakorosi chituki. And again dubuna chituki korosi. It is something that kero king kero. The only thing your perfection and the weight of your customers. Bali mama itenga ya my specific customer bunabona injisam. Nimbato mondo kongingera. Come rain, come sunshine, I must go there. The same way kero kwero seri retanga ki inchengo minande. Monda na rama itenga no ma itenga kabisa pi. Mondo li tuko ago cha komina will specifically come to me. Ikonga kero re comrade na ndo ma ite komina buno mwana munyaroka. You'll be helping your comrades. Na anda abana abantu maite mokukwane lugerie comrade, mokukwane biashara bie comrade, moko balance na bune comrade no nebe sa kwa nere igago cha sore singe nchama itenga oku understand bune comrade. Alright. So those are some of the activities that someone can do. Kerare college, or say university, or say polytechnic, or say TVET institution. Chira mokonye ainyorane extra money are konye before ediyo mwibuli etara koraki etaraicha. Muna let me ask you. Oro mwibuli oren kagari. What if omwana wago somakisi university omente kuzembo baracho? If you have a business like tigangorichi avocado nachi tobi, comrades wanapenda avocado sana. Agaenda be kagari. You have empowered your child.
Yes.
Ine kama toki. How many people feed on ama toki? Ebi asimbiro bono iga. So children, parents ensure that umwana ugago chikosoa this come August or September. Na habwate certain thing that nena yora ashua dinga umwana wisa ko empower na bago tikonya wakire simi ora arengereria abana bamwabo maybe bari barabake. Na ndakonyo akoba nerbo the biggest support. Goja se familia.
Yes, ukwanru mwana mumura tugwate biashara bya boda boda.
Yeah, boda boda.
I think bya bere bikumubwatira ne bya babeka sa ko chinga kichinde. Rinde na bokonyo rotu lietega kwa kirosi mwate vunga umumuro mino. Nga abate usene pigipigi ya moyeri usino motaro. Koma kupuri pigipigi ne yango.
Ne yango ya.
Moyore ko mwana we skuru pigipigi.
You see Matilda boda boda.
Mete and as much as abana na baru babeire una babeire. Ikintu gitanga ntubante kuri gintu buna abantu tuse ayibuno montori omonene ubwate ke bando manyetinga eyiga mangana naro abone tukubwate gose abone tukorekana korengana nili chiko twanya go blame abananga abana banyorire pigipigi njirete yurante binga enchira gose abana bali banjite chipigipigi na yenyore gose nanyare ko access ayetige.
You see, abantu I think were bad from chipigipigi na banafunzi bago some school high school bago some primary na batariko ba allowed na bona barerusa.
Actually bago teba korengana na machiko ngora bago teba onde bosi bwate myaka 25 go chance aponte kuraligerera busana kurachunguzwa no sector yega ya boda boda.
You see, abana bo kankagerete bara asakong na abana bali ba high schools like mbabwana tikoe as a shit in any case munabona barenka abayibori ensure that mwana otarikoroka ne pigipigi no mbali ba korundi ba abana chipigipigi. But boda business has become a very common thing by the way, and Kerole College, I think at a college level na arona boku machikorizo ninga oyeno montomo nene andake na bara ikene otatigarende if you resort to kokore biashara bya boda boda and still you're a comrade because na bange bali ensure that no what skills no you have the requirements no mind tenga ke biashara bigu operate how careful you can be
asa baiga college I think na boda na vera be a challenge sana ikiagera umete the moment umuntu akogani gucoka mambi agende achake biashara ande tukingana bwate chinse getabantu ko ndi class na vera akongake ikiagera I think timetinge yo tukiaba sector ya boda kero once umuntu abwatire pigipigi achake kubata chibesa chiri tali kubwateka
it's addiction lakini aba kebaro
kana vinge abako ndi ndege
so I think ne ndege ya vieto goteba bon egento nana goteba nkelinga balancing these things na beko and the course also you are doing nere a bit dictating biashara kiora ko muna bona hote umuntu okora medical courses konyora time yoko associate na gukora ibintu bindi na beko bega senko because yeta get commitment come on accounting so all those and other courses in chire a bit delicate that you have to commit your time gwara rebono na erongo dictate but all in all let us have a conversation whereby abaiboli na banafunzi you sit and you agree on how you are going to maneuver as in say you are very competitive. By the way, we live in a competitive world. Ona gebintu byasukire ebintu byachire busyo. Ebintu ensege igera mogeti. Enso ayoga ndre komanyanga twarenge gose kurukare twarenge twabwate biticha rero mure motayo by the way. Igonga life is changing. So change as life is also changing.
Okogenda
bune sere and kerobu gumabwa kongire it is a room for you to be creative. What can you do now to cope yani na yo match in that same life yere ekongete ane kora tabinda abantu bade onyo bwono kero bwete ngamba kongete bono bole rice ochibosia bwana no amangana korete
igonga bado
ense gende tukuzuka kuchibosia
mwancho muligere kero tukwanira engane yo nigubono aboro kiwa babori wembanyara gweswana ni ase amangana aya ebiasara bibonjorira bwa boda aiga niko alenge ukwana segekare ekemo kikenyarete gukorekana litukuregora aiga somo chyo bosongo ekero obono eserikali ose abateneri korwa ase sector ya boda na bogo eli yoborendi kroiga ase county ya Kisii niko bono banyara tukumirana na kusanga ebirengereri ande muno gotanga abantu gotumeka ebinyugwa na goswa ase obonjoriria bwa boda na gutiga amasomo abo anko ndipo nasanya na otokolera servotioro
ukienda kazi unataka ulete mkate.
He sekta ya boda niko bagenderete gutuguterare chinkuma cyo gotebekana ngambaro bagenderete gusegete bikora by'ubusalya ituko lya rero imeye county ya Kisii ngo bakora okomerana n'ababwatani kurwa sekta chonsi cy'uburendi elio gogayana na gukwanira amangana yo gutinya uburendi anene imeye county ya Kisii.
Asamalita ngoro ku Boniface Ontita stage ya como chairman whereby lero twabwate security agents ya governor ya national government na county government buna chairman ne municipality leaders bonspi lero twakwanira mangana maya akogera no ene municipality yaito echikoba in order buna abana boda
gukonekerekyo ningo batebanga elio gusiria obusalia wika abantu bonsi babwaterane kurwase common mwananchi nabo igo wikase birengo byonsi byoburendi.
It was a multi-agency sensitization exercise involving the police and in particular Kenya Police Service, in the Kenya Police Service, the traffic, the officers from the traffic department, NTSA, and even the DCI officers, because it was something that was revolving around the security and safety.
Ige kurege tindingo cia sabarundi abali bagendete gutumika ebinyugwa byo gutindia
ntwarigera ringa abarundi baita bange ebakunywa maru bakogenda chipigipigi twaigwana nanga ntuna national government ntubwaterane ene toranga abantu baito batigire kunywa maru ekera bakogenda chipigipigi bagendie pigipigi ekera bagenda nka banywa maru ekera bakorere kwendie pigipigi onye yarenge ngonyubare
chinga kibono kiro murundia aboliwe koba asege kundi kelike gwenerete eli we atanana nabasalia
abantu bali bametenga barase stage jitamanyiri ase county banyare gochaka gotiga baenda stage jimanyire nari baranyore ngambali kubwatugu abarundi baite bakogendie pigipigi nende baibera chi customer so mbali konyara kwa bakomanywa ngango ibere customer so we have introduced coding system eitoko ekobekwa ase reflector omonto akomanyekana stage kiarwa na ende ng'omoimokia.
Komentana juni gobakora okuigwana gwokwenekia ng'a kero monto nabwate ebinto biri biramwanchire erekoba ase para buno morundia
amang'ana ye license ntwaigwana na national government batwe omudo isaine elinde twaigwana na barobo abantu baito batware chi license bakogenderia pikipiki lakini asa amang'ana ye chi insurance it's a mandatory to have insurance egekogere gokonye ride ori mogetie nende yakonya nori gwatwomire egari yaye inde togotama ekero bwate driving ekwende insurance
uripotire getaseni kiao kia Getembe kuroiga ase county ya Kisii retera na igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya na nje wanguiga
nje
ngigere kwandi ya pikipiki ngoja kuigera
ya by the way kuna wanawake wanafanya mo swat na
okay njitali yo bonchoreria
na
po kuigera ene ilinde ngore ya na for fun
okay
ntige kwa kanefe
na abo na rombia because nowadays they say
onye tina afford ye gari at least into a smart bike na bongo konye
squeeze ba tabanga what a man can do a woman can do better so what men nowadays do better what men do is border and wameja so I think you can do better you have a point anyway lakini rende igento na machiko piki gabu it's all about abantu babwatia machiko and then abantu ba especially omuntu tanywa maru and under the influence of amaru na ndega kurundia border
amaru rero
twayakwanere it's a factor by the way drugs is all about it's affecting the country
kere kono nabo
ekena kigichandite let me tell you kogo chama ngana yo boibi the bottom line drugs kogo chama ngana ya accident the bottom line drugs kwa sababu abana banyanga muntu yatinde tari over speed ogo konyoro mangana yo bosari it's all about drugs drugs is the bottom line of majority was a major of the most of the things chiko kore kana chiri chimbe kwa sababu machas kukua very under the influence of notamaru kutatika ibi nyugo byo tinde osama yo tinde and then your reasoning your way of doing things changes so the bottom line negento tokorokanga amaruno no bosaria mondo yago chikorigia mondo ako uresimi ako ura gusene besa egara chikwanyora gusene nyasore so it's all about that
nkagirete mienda ase egati yote 9:10 ase ritukoria lero twasangira mange lakini no konya konyora ninga abantu batwaro gwanchana ane mono ase chinka ali ase binyoro andozi ase bare ikiagera umuntu ndi bwensi orange nae kwarate makomanyanga na kiale era abantu metena bikonyarikana abantu ngorara bari nchara abana mbaroro konyora umwana akomisi gukora gusatari gukora matemu ikiagera bole chisiringi 50 ande twagotenga 50 sekenyore kigimo umwana atakoletia matemo singe nchabole siringi 50 gosemia abantu kenyore kigima umuntu tayora mukona
unabona iga you can tell emechango ya abana bago chigo join university sigere menge buna togo kwanega singe ncho abana bono ngo chigo join bari chi school please if there's somewhere you can support your 100 shillings your 10 shillings support umwana no ibe community as I always say inje na somare to borari tinji etia ari taraje seito aisi timbe ke familia ito bono chako bakorero borari I'm here at Getembe people all over they are seeing me
kero no family barama se ngo abokire rero
fakti barama nya bakanyirete maybe barore ko seninda yararia igaiga seti buna wasomete you are here you are feeding people umwari mwasomere to bwarimu tachiti ko some family yabo igachete ko somia bana from all over the country totebe ko seno munyagitari to somera bunyagitari ande se na restaurants bono chaka ko kanyanga abana ba minba igore KTR choro wherever you are or treat the whole community children are a community to I mean the children ne property a community because out of grass or made a very plamba ne project ye kenyoro if there's somewhere you can help umwanafunzi buna bono ba uchujuni universities please do it nebanga no tarwe beza no nyoranga no bwate bikoro tugetora amachi kunya gosukeria matuko please do it
lakini kero konyo umuntu toko mokonya keri no nyana no eguta keri utagete gutuguta keri utagete gutuguta na kioko mo ka umuntu yentu keri no nyana yo egu na kugosukia
tiyanganeria bible bonsi chinga kichingia kero bagende takora be it in primary be it in secondary na bono nkabare amoiburi asore renda abana bawo tukakunya gutuma abana mairinga bona achitenga mwiri guseno bubongo kakwenda gusereka kwanya kwenda kubikira abantama muchonga mwana onagachaga abunga kuru serekero. If it is not like onye teri sababu onye nkibeteriti bera na abana bawo manye chimba cyabo.
Yes.
High responsibilities. Ebona bona barenka tiga bawo konye mirimo gabo egasinka gabo.
Nayo kumanyeta biyo mwana.
Nayo kumanyeta biyo mwana
bienda. Ekero kurigereria ritukeriga ndache twa yatakunire uyu kuigwa anabakuigwa no uyu bwatekerengereria usanga onyare gusanga na onyo turasanga bado nabuko gisanga gabo gwetira asichinse moche mitandao yetu ya kijamii korende Joseph Mukaya nigate bachinse mochakora Morambo Nyanchogu Neri Michemo Edel Monte Boyko Surambaya Rosafi Ruth Nyambeki Morgan Moffat Christopher Atandi Rogers Nyariki Sokoro Akisi na Boyko Teresa Kemunto tupate Dennis Magangi Bonventure Movisa Mose Emmanuel na Rose Fundi Biokid Marcos Evelyn Mugunde Alfayo Sadiki 04 Baga Nyanchama Ongera abo negati yabari babere bagusangana into awetrase chinse mochiria cha Facebook ana abo ko chinse mocha YouTube nayo umancho murigereria olio otaringe ukwana asingencho Nuchenga ebiro vya tonyorire oyo no romoro biro bo mwerio osenere twani omwera asumutinyo iga gwatano na kabere bete mienda na ndi tukondiriri kale buneri gachitari 31 asomoro biro bo twani omutinyo saba omwaka 2025 tekonyalekana nechiko bali tukoria Thursday na nda asomoro biro bo twani koso somoro biro erabe myake mengere bose lakini tekwirana ko omutinyi tekwirana ko mwaka 2025 ko mancho murigeria asevire biga kira utwarengerere mienda sam ko assisted ya kabere Avila Kariri Wilfred Matundra na nchinkro ko Matilda Obaiwa asiwono twaro mugasomia mbia muno kegema ikiagera kwagendere kuba umwegeno ime ya Getembe TV nande wikali tukoria nkyo etarike ya moto nyasao gotwanjira tochi osanga anainde asensemo yo moroverio igase bono twara umugasomia
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura bakikuya mandege uzito somya bamura bakikuya mandege
ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imishangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino imijega ao bunabonwa housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega ashiri golidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare no bamanyi wigoro nigetibye tibwate signal ere enkongo iyigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigogwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simigwitira namba 0741499726
Yokomboli umwanone kiririkyane
gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibia wanje ya Getembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimero ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri mienzi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egolere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amono guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemero yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia mamogusie
ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia indibo enyinge. Aha, bono tokwa omoyo inyagitari ya Walfit Health Centers neroli chibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali, amaruire yenda, amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. Eno borwere bwasumbuira abagaka sana. Bwe sukari. What you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngakyo borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero goime. Hypertension no borwere kera manyinga kogenda igure somo be. Walfit itosomete chinchereza to chokorwa ya marwaire. Enchede ntangani itosomete ngento nga conventional medicine. Yani ubunyagitari obwa kawaida. Itosomete ngento nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntubiko amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumbeka esokorwa ya marwaire. Nchirende yagata tusomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine. Tugutumia marioga akurwese mete twarwa ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega igamarikiti marikiti guys wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho bakegoroba ya gatatu erumu 307A. Ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani obo asamarwaire minyoka.
Kila nafsi na
Tuchanire kuralia ugukwa wa Sheridan na Oguri Nyabuto. Ugukwa kwaraliwe wa Sheridan na Oguri Nyabuto. Nigo ale umwana Moses Nyabuto n'umungina Josephine Kerubo Nyabuto. Abana ba mwabo ngamona Jovri, Mura, Kayaga, Edna, Elizabeth na Naomi. Nigo chianko chiaje gusaba isamoke ngamona Orondo, Ungubo, David, Richard, Oino, George, Tom, Isaac, Onsarigo, William, Cheverson, Ungubo, Wako, Nyabicha Ronald kurwa USA, Julius, Ocharo na Andrew. Abangina mokenga mona Sabina, Teresa, Kimto, Basivika, Gladys, Mary, Judy, Nora, Esther, Eunice, Doris, Kerubo, Lydia, abakuru kwa Rose, Naomi, Grace na Beatrice. Mbamwabo John Umwange kurwa Grigoris Complex, Bisonga, Bernard, Justin, Keva, Samuel, balibakuru kwa Kayaga, Omwagi, Geoffrey Onsarigo Getembe FM na Getembe TV nabande abange. Nigo ari umuchokoro bw'abalenya gusira Simba, Mugire, Kiyondi, Kayaga, Omwega, Nyanchoka, Kiriamakuru wa Nyaribari, Otiso, Yagusira Agnes, Yagusira Murara, na umuchango nobe chitaliki 30 mutinyuga 5 na kabiru mwakoyo asenka yabo. Na umubere nurushwe asenke ndu ya Chironi Mojel chitaliki 34 ya mutinyuga 5 kabiru mwakoyo asabirwe na koyenigwa etaliki AM umutinyi ugatano na gatatu mwaka 2025 asekenyero kia Butire Village Gakero Sublocation Majoge Bus Ward wa Machoge Chache ime county ya Kisii. Ukunugo kwa tuaralire wa Sheridan Oguri Nyabuto kurwa Getembe Farm na Getembe Television nikotua tumire amagombo chinga kichi chobokendu obonene.
Tulikotoka mavumbini tutarudi. Kila nafsi na ita
Tarari o kwa Pauline Nyaboke Mose oyuro muri onyabusira Philip Mose manyikane tebena magoro yari musubati omwaba Priska nyabusira Andrew Elizabeth Peter Alice Nonyonka yari ngina Bernard Rose Evelyn Christine Judy Lawrence Joseph Wycliffe na Magi yari bamwabo Osiemo Mose Kennedy Josephine Mheshimiwa Choki Nicholas Pius na Salome Wakoyoye Pauline Umae Gichana na Nyangaresi Machango no betarike 25 mutinyu gatano kabiri mwaka yoga mabiri no rusigwe nkendu ya Ram tarike 30 yamo mutinyu gatano kabiri mwaka yoga karara ni betarike mo umutienyi ogatano na gatatu Vuti Kyongongi Kitutu Central Ward Kitutu Chache South Imeye County ya Kisii Gatamba Television na Gatamba FM Tarengare yeito
nafsi itaonja mauti. Mavumbini nitarudi. Ule ndiko wewe na mimi tulikotoka.